Hey, good evening to all the civil and mechanical commandos. I, Abhinav Negi, welcome you all in this super duper session where me and Joshi sir will be telling you most expected 50 questions, 25 of SOM and 25 of FM. So guys, be prepared. Please take a copy with you and a pen and paper and just go in a शांत से environment में चले जाइए. Close your doors, be in a silent environment and study with these 50 questions. Our 25 questions will be like this of SOM and FM, that they will be covering entire syllabus. Not partial, not few chapters, but those 25 questions will be the whole summary of SOM, such that we have decided 25 questions of SOM and FM. This session will be equally helpful for all civil champions and mechanical marvels. Just one small request from my side. Guys, please like and share the session to everybody, to every your friend who is preparing for GATE and other exams. Just let me know in the comment section if I'm audible and visible with the heart sign. Everybody. Okay, I hope everybody is fine, doing fantastic. Yes, guys, within few days you will be having your GATE exam and you might be feeling a little bit nervous. And that is obvious. Okay, it is not harm in getting nervous. But the thing is that this nervousness should come out with a positive approach, should come out with a positive energy. इससे आपको बिखरना नहीं है, इससे आपको निखरना है दोस्तों. Everybody, a huge welcome to all of you. Okay, Aman, Aboy, Crazy, Krishna, with so many students, even I cannot read the whole name. Shreya Patel, Parth, Joshit sir is here. Okay, everybody, ABM company, welcome all guys, and share the session to every aspirant so that more commandos can join in. So without wasting much of your time, guys, one thing is very sure. Please take a pen and paper with you. Let this session be fruitful to you, and fruitful will be only when I am not only solving, but you also will be solving. The questions will be exactly of GATE level. These 50 questions will be exactly of GATE level. And guys, first I'll be teaching you these 25 questions. Then Joshi sir will be coming with his 25 questions of FM. And guys, here in the same link, you don't have to go anywhere else. In the same link, these 50 questions will be there. Welcome to everybody. Most of you already know me. Still, if somebody is new in this channel, let me tell you, my name is Abhinav Negi, having 10 plus years of teaching experience. Done my MTech from IIT Delhi in Geotechnical Engineering. Got All India rank 164 in 2012. Mentored more than 20,000 students in offline for more than 8,000 hours. These are my subjects. Right now, I'm going with my favorite subject, Strength of Materials for Civil and Mechanical. I always said that if I'm 164 rank or 0 rank or 1 lakh rank, that doesn't matter. What matters most is whatever I'm teaching you, are you getting that or not? Okay. How many NAT questions are asked in GATE? Crazy View has asked his name is also very crazy, and he has asked a very genuine question. Guys, from 2014, the NAT was introduced. And initially in the first year, NAT were very less, but over a period of time, gradually, the percentage of NAT is almost 30 to 40%. Okay, so you can expect that out of 100 marks, 30 to 35 marks will be coming from NAT. Okay. See, Rahul Sosodia, yes, these 25 questions will be helping you, but it should not be like that. You restrict your syllabus or practice to these 25 questions only. Of course, you have to practice more also. Now, guys, if you are new to the channel, just subscribe it right now. Okay, please hit the subscribe button so that whatever the notifications, what are the job updates, whatever the technical things or non-technical things like English verbal ability session was taken by Ashutosh sir today, you all will be getting. Okay, otherwise after some days you are saying that, sir, I missed that session. Guys, if you subscribe the channel, you will getting all the important session one by one without any delay. And yes, guys, so all the students who are giving the paper, civil, mechanical, electrical, computer science, we will be coming with a detailed solution on the respective dates on the exam day itself with the expected cutoff and the solutions and the answer key for all of you. Subscribe the channel, guys, right away. Okay, once you are getting cleared now, once you are selected, once you have made your career, then you can unsubscribe. So subscribe it for yourself. Okay, so guys, you can join me in Telegram, Civil by Abhinav sir, for all my links, updates, PDF, and whatever we are teaching you here now, we will make a combined PDF of 50 questions and we will be giving you. And yes, guys, Actually, from last 10 days, I am working on the questions which are most expected, but I am not an astrologer. I can't say that these exactly questions will be coming, but most probably the concepts will be same. Okay, so I have made 40 questions, and by restricting myself to the less number of questions, I am not able to restrict below 40. So 25 of the whole syllabus I am taking in this session, and 15 I will be taking tomorrow in Hindi YouTube channel, tomorrow 8:15 p.m. Okay, guys, I also know that this time is very precious to you, so I restricted myself most, and with so much restriction I was only able to restrict myself up to 40 questions. So 25 I will be taking today of whole SOM syllabus, and 15 I will be taking tomorrow on Hindi YouTube channel at 8:15 p.m. Everybody, okay, I'll be taking your doubt also. Yeah, this is for civil and mechanical both. And yes, the ninja sir, the Joshi sir is coming for the last few days strategy for you, and that will be on Hindi YouTube channel at 11:15 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, now moving to the first question, guys. Please take your pen, copy, calculator fast, and just let me know the answers on the comment section so that you can verify that how other students are performing and how you are performing. All the questions will be of gate level and deflection, Mohr circle, every chapter, stress strain, thermal stress, everything I'll be taking. Okay, here is the question number 1, and wait before that, very important announcement. Guys, cut off for today's session, cut off for SOM, for FM Joshi sir will be telling you, out of 25 questions, guys, out of 25 questions, at least you have to solve 17 questions. If you solve 17 questions of the 25 questions that I am taking today, 17 questions out of 25 questions that I am taking today, guys, then your preparation is right strategy. 2, 3, 4 questions that I'll be taking today in the last 25th question will be little bit tricky one, and the difficulty level will be on the higher side. But on an average, if you solve these 17 questions out of 25, your preparation is exactly on the right direction. This is the cutoff for SOM FM. When Joshi sir will come after 1 hour or so, he will be telling his thing. Okay, session is useful. Yes. So this is the first question. Okay, now let's come to the leave share now, leave like now, leave subscribe now. Come to the question. 2 bars, one of material A and one of material B. One of material A, one of material B of same length are tightly screwed on 2 unyielding walls. Unyielding walls means the deflection will not be there. The deflection will not be there. There are 2 bars, one is A and one is B. Okay. Coefficient of thermal expansion of A is more. Alpha A is greater than alpha B. This bar has more thermal coefficient. Alpha A is greater than alpha B when temperature is increased. When temperature is increased, 4 options are there. Guys, unless I mentioned you, that will be MCQ, not MSQ. Because in GATE also last year, whenever the question is MSQ, they will be telling you that this is MSQ, this is MSQ. They will not be playing hide and seek with you. Okay, they will not be playing hide and seek with you. If there is a MSQ question, I will be written in the smart board or here on the screen that you are seeing, also in the gate also. So please let me know. Thank you, Santu. Santu, please share the session. Sagar Yadav, Vikram, Parth, everybody welcome, guys. Everybody welcome. Keshav, Rahul, Asha, excellent. Okay. So many people are saying C, some are saying D. Okay. Nice question. Little bit tricky. Suraj is saying C. So compression and tension on B. Okay. Aman is saying C. Santu is saying D. So who will be correct? Santu or other students? Let me check. Guys, you will learn many things from this session. Many important concepts and tricky questions. Okay. D. KTK. Vishwa is saying D. Okay. See. Guys, if the question is composite bar, then guys answer is C. But if the question, I will tell you logic also. If the question is fixed bar, then answer is D. With my statement, 90% students' doubt will be cleared. Santu was correct. KTK was also correct. Devendra is also correct. Okay, so let us have a competition between civil and mechanical. See, Guys, if it is composite word means na that deflection will be same. Delta is equal to same. And fixed means delta will be equal to 0. Fixed means delta equal to 0. If it is composite, if it is composite, A wants to elongate more and B wants to elongate less. Of course, A and B are elongating both sides. Of course, A and B are elongating both sides. And just for simplicity, I am showing you here. Composite means delta is same. So they will elongate up to here by mutual agreement. So this will be in compression. This will compress to here. And this will elongate to here, tension. Okay, but here what is written? Unyielding walls. And every time you are correcting going for the C, because you have think composite, answer is C. Here guys, it is unyielding, so both can't elongate. Both can't elongate by a single inch. Composite means they can elongate. But here A wants to elongate more, B wants to elongate less, but both can't elongate. So both compression will be coming and these forces will coming to be restricted here. Both restricting here. So answer will be D, compression in both. Everybody please put a heart sign if you got it. And guys, such questions make your marks instead of +2, they will marks -2/3, that is 0.67. Everybody got the concept? Please let me know. Yes, now the answer is coming D. These are the questions which you directly see and tick on C. But the right answer is D. Everybody got it or not? Please let me know in the comment section. Everybody please put a heart sign if you got it or not. Please let me know. Please let me know, guys. Everybody. Okay, some other bottom bar is coming. Please let me switch off the bottom bar. Okay, now it is correct. Got it. Moving to question number 2. Please guys, be aware. 17 out of 25. Okay, and my level of difficulty will be increasing slowly. My level of this will be increasing slowly. Yes, Dhanya. And wait. Just write on the comment box who are from civil, write CE, who are from mechanical, write ME. Let us see who is the winner. Whether it is civil commandos, civil champions or mechanical marvels. Please let me know. If it is yielding, guys, Narendra Karna, and it is composite bar, then it will be, of course, C will be the option. Okay? And if it is yielding by very less amount, so less than this, then again both compression. If suppose, yes, Nagendra has asked a very beautiful question. If it is yielding up to this level, very small amount, in comparison to L alpha delta T, third type of concept. If it is yielding with very small amount, and that yielding, suppose this type of question comes, first type, second type, first type of question, second type of question, third type, Nagendra has asked, if it is yielding very less than L alpha delta T, then also compression. It is yielding up to here, it wants to elongate up to more, elongation more, again compression. Nagendra got it or not? Nagendra has asked a beautiful question. CE, ME, okay. So many people are from CE and mechanical both, correct. Have you got this third type? Because first type everybody knows. Second type, who are my commandos, who have seen my sessions, they knows. Third type, from Nagendra doubt, it is clear now. That if the yielding is very less up to here, and L alpha delta T is more, again both compression. Moving to question number 2. Slowly, I will increase the level of difficulty. Sir, FM will be useful for GATE and ESE aspirants? Yes. And guys, let me again tell you that we have prepared 40 questions. I was to make the most expectation. That was my expectation, if it is matching with GATE or not. I'm not astrologer, but I have made 40 questions, 25 today and 15 tomorrow on Hindi YouTube channel at 8:15 p.m. I was not able to restrict myself to 25 questions. I made 40. 25 here, 15 on Hindi YouTube channel tomorrow. Yes, guys. Question number 2. Leave like now, leave share now. Let's concentrate here. Okay. With list one using again, let us make a test and curve for any general value. Let us be making for mild steel. Okay, so this is like this. Twing. So first stage is, guys, lower yield point. Okay, lower yield point. Then after this, first stage is limit of proportionality. First is limit up to which it is proportional. Up to which it is proportional. Then after that proportional limit, yielding comes. Here it is the lower yield point. Lower, this proportional lower yield point. So second is this. Then after this what comes? Then after this what comes? Third stage is ultimate stress. Fourth, ultimate stress, sigma u. Then after this the material breaks down, fracture. Fourth stage is fracture. So it is 2, then 1, then it is 2, first one is 2, then 1, then it is 4 and 3. 2, 1, 4, 3. 2, 1, 3, 4, 3. Option number B. Everybody got it or not? Yes, Jagdish and Suraj, Abdul bhai, assalamu alaikum, kaise hain? Devendra, Shreya Patel. Okay, great. Difficulty level will be increasing, guys. 101 students. Share it to everybody. Let this make this event large. Question number 3. Okay. Here, guys, many these type of questions we have done 6 months back, 7 months back in YouTube. Let's do this now. A steel bar of 25 mm diameter. What is the total elongation? Okay, see, guys, from childhood to now, what is my total delta? Elongation of my legs, elongation of my upper body, elongation of my head. Correct? From childhood to now, what is the total elongation of Abhinav Negi? Elongation of my legs, elongation of my upper body, elongation of my head. So that is delta AB, elongation of this part. Okay, then elongation of this part, delta BC, delta AB, then delta BC, let it make here, delta AB, let it make with a brighter color, that is delta BC, okay, and delta CD. Everybody please take out your calculator and pen. Then delta CD. Okay, everybody please take out your pen. Okay, then it will be only beneficial. If you are only listening to me, this is not an entertainment channel. Okay, everybody khulja. Yes. Good, Santu. Please take out your pen and calculator. Now delta AB, how to calculate delta AB? Please see, 2 ways. Cut your hand here, put your hand here. See everybody now, please concentrate. Put your hand here like this. See from left hand side. 60 going away. 60 going away. This is NAT type question. 60 going away. So away going is tension, plus. From my hand 60 going away, so plus. 60 in newtons it will be 1000. In length it is 2 meter upon area. Area is pi by 4 into d square. This is in millimeter. Let it in the 2 meter also in millimeter. 2 into 1000. Into Young's modulus 190 gigapascal. That is 190. Giga means 10 ki power 6. Giga means 10 ki power 6. In proper units you can find it. I am not going in unit conversion. And if you cut C from left hand side, then also 60 will be coming. See from left hand side, sorry, right hand side. From right hand side 50 going away, so plus 50. From right hand 30 going away, plus 30. 20 coming inside. Inside means compression, minus 20. So this value 80 minus 20 is again 60. So if whether you see from left or right, it will be same. With proper units you can calculate. Now delta BC. Again see from left hand side. Left hand side 60 going away, 20 going away. 60 going away, 20 going away from my hand. So 80. Units you can convert, not going in units. Length is 1 meter. Area pi by 4 d square into Young's modulus 190 into 10 ki power something. Unit I am not going. Okay, even you see from right hand side 50 going away, 30 going away. 50 going away, 30 going away. It is also again 80. Okay, correct. Now delta CD. It is your choice. See from right hand side 50 going away. From left hand side 60 going away, so plus 60. 20 going away means plus, and 30 coming inside, minus. 80 minus 30, 50. And see from right hand side easily 50. So 50 into length is 3. Area you know, Young's modulus you know, not wasting time. Calculate addition of all these, you will get the answer. Everybody getting or not? Giga means 10 ki power 9. Yes, giga means 10 ki power 9. Yes, thank you, Nagendra. Everybody got the solution. Can you do such type of questions in GATE exam? Naak to nahi kataoge bhai meri. Everybody please let me know, got it or not? These kind of questions. Okay, in exam please don't do from left and right both. From any time, anyway, answer will be same. Let us move to question number 3, 4 quickly. Okay, now this is fixed. So this is fixed means net force in y direction is 0. Okay, sir. So force any direction. Here I don't know the force. Let it this direction. Reaction from here RD. And here also make any direction. If my answer comes in negative, direction will be opposite. Let it be RA. If my answer comes in negative, my direction is opposite. So upward force is RA plus RD, and downward force is equal to 2W plus W is 3W. So for net force equal to 0, upward force RA plus RD is equal to downward force. Getting or not? Getting or not? Yes. Thank you. 3.725. Thank you. Correct. Okay. Come on, tough questions, sir. Deepak, I will come gradually. Okay. Please don't teach me. Okay. Now, coming here. Okay. Deepak wants tough question. Deepak, if you don't want these questions, take a screenshot to question number 25. Take a screenshot, giving you 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Do this. Okay. Everybody come here. We'll move gradually. Okay. Thank you, Deepak. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Nagendra, you can do make everything in SI unit. Answer will be in meter. At last, multiply with 1000 to get millimeter. Okay. Now W is 1.5, that we will take at end. W is 1.5, that it we taking at the end. Okay. Now, since it is a fixed bar, so net elongation is equal to 0, delta AD is equal to 0, and delta AD is equal to delta AB plus delta AD plus delta AB plus delta BC plus delta CD. Okay, what is delta AB? See from top or bottom. I have just shown you in the previous. Let us see from the top. RA is going upward. So RA into all lengths are L. Okay, all lengths are L into AE. Okay, now delta BC. See from top or bottom, your choice. Let me see from top. RA going outside, W coming inside. RA going outside, 2W coming inside. RA going outside, 2W coming inside. So RA in plus minus 2W length upon AE plus delta CD. Cut it here. See from left or top or bottom, your choice. Let us see from top. RA going outside plus and W going 2W inside my hand, compression, W also, so it will minus 3W into L by AE is equal to 0. Now L, AE all are cancelled. Okay, Bhagwan itni inki atma ko shanti de. Okay, now that is Ankit Joshi sir dialogue na. Okay, RA plus RA plus RA, that is 3RA. RA plus RA plus RA, that is 3RA. And minus 2W and minus 3W, minus 5W is equal to 0. So RA is equal to 5W by 3. My answer is in positive. That means I have taken the correct direction. And what is W? 1.5. 5 into 1.5 by 3. So from here the answer will be 3 say kata. So that is 3 into 0.5. So that is 2.5. So RA value is coming to be 2.5. And RA is equal, RD is equal to 3W minus RA. Okay, so 3 into 1.5 is 4.5 minus RA is 2.5. So from here RD is equal to 2. Everybody please let me know in the comment section. You got it or not? Everybody please let me know. Have you got it or not? And guys, please share the session so that more and more commandos can join in. Everybody guys, like, share and subscribe the channel for more such videos. If you understood this question, please share it to your friends and subscribe the channel right away so that more and more commandos can join in. Are you enjoying or not? Yes. Will you do such questions in exam or not? Yes, Santu, Rahul, good. Tough to tough. Okay, got it. Pravinder Singh, okay, good. Question number now, guys, please be aware of the cutoff. 17th question, okay, cutoff is now deleted. So it is 17 out of 25 questions. And 15 questions I'll be taking tomorrow and in the YouTube channel. This is the question. Little bit the toughness is increased. What they are asking, determine the load carried by the center wire, P1, P2. So here it is P1, okay sir. Here it is P2, okay sir. Here it is P3, okay sir. So total upward load on this bar, total upward load on this bar is P1 plus P2 plus P3, okay. And total downward is 5 kilonewton. So to be in equilibrium, upward force is equal to downward force. Equation number 1. Equation number 1. Okay, got it sir. No doubt. Okay, excellent. Excellent. Any doubt? Okay, Kumar Gudu is saying, sir, please last one delta calculation. Now just we have done PL by AE. For everything we have done PL by E, nothing else. For here also, from C from upward, RA into L by AE. From here C from upward, RA going outside, 2W coming inside, L by AE. For here C from upward, RA going outside and 3W coming inside, like this. Everybody please let me know answer fast. Fast. Kumar Gudur, I hope you got it now. Great, great, great. Okay, now spacing between the wires is 2 meter. This is 2 meter and this is also 2 meter. Let it be made with white color so that you can visualize it better. This is 2, this is 2. Okay, now guys, for movement about any point is 0. Let this point be alpha. Let this point be alpha. So summation movement about alpha is equal to 0. See, to be in equilibrium, net force is equal to 0, net movement is also 0. Net movement, second equation is with yellow color. Second equation is with yellow color. Now, P1 movement about this. P1 is upward. P1 into 1.6, that is clockwise. That is clockwise, okay. Now P2 is anti-clockwise. P2 is anti-clockwise about this point. About this point, P2 is anti-clockwise. So minus P2 into 0.4, okay. P2 into 0.4, now P3. P3 is also anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise, clockwise is plus, anti-clockwise minus. So minus P3, this distance is 0.4. So minus P3 into 2.4, net movement is equal to 0. This is the second equation, this is the first, this is the second, now the third equation. Everybody, can anybody tell me, not the answer, but what will be the third equation? Can anybody tell me that what will be the third equation, please? 3 wires of the same material and cross section support a rigid bar, which further supports a weight of 5 kilonewton. The length of the wires are given. The spacing is given. For the first wire, determine the load capacity by the center wire. Guys, since this is a rigid bar, so deflection will be same. So this is, let it be 1, this is be 2, this is be 3. So all deltas will be same. All deltas will be same, or they will make it like that it will be following a linear path. So third calculation will be, delta calculation. Third equation will be delta calculation. From 3 equation, from 1, 2 and 3, calculate P1, P2 and P3. And guys, wait. This requires a certain amount of calculation. This question requires certain amount of exercise. And I want everybody to tell you to do this exercise, and I'll be posting this answer at 11:30 p.m. today with complete solution on my Telegram, Civil by Abhinav sir. Okay, till then please practice. I will tell you the answer there, don't worry. I will tell you the answer there. I will tell you the answer here. 2 equations I have told, just work on the third and calculate the P1, P2, P3. I will tell you the solution exactly at 11:30 p.m. on my Telegram, Civil by Abhinav sir. Now question number 6. Okay, suddenly we are coming to the question number 6. Okay, 5 questions we have done. Such type of 5 sets, 5 into 5, 25. It will be over, then FM will be taking by the Joshi sir. It is subjected to torque of 4 kN. The maximum shear stress induced in the shaft. Everybody, guys, solid. Tau by R is equal to T by IP. Okay, so tau is equal to T by IP into R. So tau max is equal to T by IP into R max. R is the distance from the center. And distance from the center maximum is how much? D by 2. Maximum, this is R max. What is R max? What is R max? R max is equal to D by 2. So, here it will be T. IP is polar moment of inertia, that is pi by 32 into D ki power 4. R max is D by 2. If you simplify this, this will be 16T into pi D cube. Now, D is given, T is given. T is given, so you have to calculate C, 16T by pi D cube. T is, you know, T is 4 and D is 80 mm. Everybody can tell me the answer. What is the answer, guys? Give me answer in the comment box. Everybody. Sompreet, Naresh, Santu, Ritulamba, everybody. What is the answer, guys? Come on. Come on, everybody. Okay, Anurag, Parvinder, Sompreet, Naresh. What about others? What about others? And everybody, Pooja HR, excellent. And just after giving the answer, please mention your branch also. C, civil, C, CE, or D, CE, or B, C, or A, ME, like this. Okay? Okay? San to C. Okay, this will be the answer. Now, question number 7. What is this? If the diameter of a shaft subjected to torque alone is doubled, then the horsepower P can be increased to the same angular rotation. Now, P is equal to T into omega. Now they are saying that same angular rotation, so omega is no change. Omega is not changing. That means power will be proportional to T since omega is constant. Omega they are saying constant. Omega they are saying constant. So how much T will increase? That much P is increased. Now see. Tell me the answer, guys. T is equal, what is the maximum shear stress a material can take? 16T by pi D cube. Let this value be alpha, 32 Newton per mm square or 10 Newton per mm square. Let this maximum value of tau max be alpha. If, guys, earlier it is this and now the diameter is increased by how much times? The diameter of shaft is doubled. So this is doubled. So it is doubled means 8D cube. 8 into D cube because it is doubled. So make it alpha again. How much times we can increase the T? 8T. We can increase it again because 8 and 8 will be cancelled. It will be 16T by pi D cube. To make it same, because material is same, na? Material is same. So the material will fail when shear stress is reaching the permissible. So I am not increasing this. Earlier it is alpha. Now since diameter is increased by 2 times, that is 8D cube. So we can increase torque by 8 times to make it same value. So even if we are increasing the torque by 8 times, then also tau max is not increasing permissible value. So it will not fail. So T can increase by 8 times. T can increase by 8 times now. Okay, we can increase it by 8 times. So it will be 8P. Everybody, please let me know, have you understood this or not on the comment section. Okay, everybody, guys, share the session so that more and more commandos can join in. Total 40 questions. And that will be my last 40 questions this year for the GATE aspirants. 25 I am taking today. 15 I will be taking tomorrow at 8:15 p.m. Guys, I want to restrict myself to less number of questions at this last time. I cannot restrict myself below 40. So 25 today I am taking on English YouTube channel, 15 tomorrow at 8:15 p.m. on Hindi YouTube channel. Everybody got it. Thank you, Santu. Now this is, okay, this will be tomorrow, 15 questions. Now this one, question number 8. Okay, everybody, come on. A rectangular beam is to be cut out of a cylindrical log of wood. Guys, see, this is a cylindrical log of wood. Now the cross section, if I cut here, please everybody concentrate. Cross section will be like this. Now in this, how many rectangles can be cut? The rectangle may be like this. Okay, sir. 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 Guys, infinite rectangles can be cut out. Infinite. Now, out of this section, out of this red, green, white, blue, red, green, white, blue, purple, orange, dark neela, kam neela, gehra neela, firoji, out of the various colors in this universe, let I say that this one is the maximum, this one is the rectangle having diameter, having width B, and diameter D to be the strongest of the various sections. This is the strongest. Now this strongest section, what is value of B and D? Because area will be, they are asking area na. So area will be B into D. Area will be B into D. Okay. And let it be H. Let it be not B, let it be H, because diameter they have given as D. They have given the diameter as D. So diameter of this section is D. So I am taking this as H. So this diameter is D. Okay. Now the strongest section is moment of resistance. Everybody please see. Moment of resistance is equal to sigma y into Z. And Z is BH square by 6. Now see, everybody. If I cut this white one, if I cut this green one, if I cut this red one, if I cut this blue one, material is not going to change. Material is not going to change. Material will be same. So sigma y will be same. So moment of resistance will be maximum. Since sigma y is not changing because it is wood. For green, white, red, blue, everything is wood. So when it is BH square by 6 is maximum. Okay. Now here you Pythagoras theorem you also know, I also know, B square plus H square is equal to D square. Pythagoras theorem, B square plus H square is equal to D square. Now this is maximum. Now I can write BH square by 6 B. H square I can write as D square minus B square by 6. Agree or not? H square I can write from here D square minus B square by 6. Now this is Z. Actually this is section modulus Z. So for maximum Z, dz by dB is equal to 0. dz by dB is equal to 0. So what is differentiation of that? 1 by 6 BD square. D is constant diameter. So it is D square minus B cube. B cube differentiation is 3B square is equal to 0. So B from here, sorry, D square is the constant. So okay, 1 by 6 will be changing, 1 by 6 will be cancelled out, and here B square is equal to D square by 3 and B is equal to D by root 3. So B is equal to D by root 3. Now put this B is equal to D by root 3, this value you can put it here and find H. Find H. This value you can put here and find H, and area will be B into H. Area will be B into H because I have treated depth as H. So B you have calculated from here, H you will calculate from here, area will be B into H. Everybody please let me know, have you got it or not? I am audible or not? Let me check on my mobile. This B is equal to D by root 3, this value. Completely audible yaar. Completely audible. Guys, I have told you the process. Have you got it? Everybody please let me know. Have you got it? Any doubt? Shreyas, I am audible in my mobile, and I guess my mobile is very cheaper than yours. Okay. So it is visible on audible on your mobile as well. Have you got it? Any doubt? Any doubt? No doubt. Okay, this is tomorrow. 25 questions today, 15 questions tomorrow at 8:15 p.m. This is the question. Okay. Guys, first of all, these kind of figures are very, very complex for me. So every time, just reduce it into a vector. Everybody please see. You have to apply the right hand thumb rule. This is P, Q, R, S. Now see right hand thumb rule. Right hand. This is my right hand, guys. Right hand thumb rule. This is my right hand. Everybody see how to apply right hand thumb rule in exam. Just curl your fingers in the direction of T. Curl your fingers in the direction of T. Thumb is pointing the torque. So T is here. Convert it this so that for easy calculations. How I am telling you, because these kind of directions will be very, very complex. Even you are Saurav Gangli, even you are Brain Lara, that means even if you are lefty, you have to use right hand thumb rule. Because sometimes I am teaching in offline, some student ask me, sir, I am lefty, so I have to apply left hand thumb rule or right? Guys, you have to apply right hand thumb rule, okay? So curl your fingers like this So this is T. Okay. Thumb will point out the direction of torque. Now it is easy to calculate whatever calculation we will do further. Curl your fingers like this. Curl your fingers like this. Thumb will be like this. So Q it will be, curl your fingers, it will be, thumb will be like there. So it will be 2T. 2T. Again curl your fingers, this will be like here. So it will, everybody getting this right hand thumb rule or not? Now curl your fingers, it will be here. Curl your fingers, it will be here. Okay, this is 2T. So net torque to the left hand side is T and 2T, 3T, and towards right hand side 2T and T, 3T. It is balanced. Now what is the easiness of this side of things? What is the benefit of right hand thumb rule? Now if I want to calculate torque at here, T at PQ. Now how, see what is the use? Everybody knows how to apply right hand thumb rule now. Everybody knows now how to apply right hand thumb rule. Now what is the benefit? Benefit is like that. Now if I want to calculate torque, now it is easy to me to visualize. Otherwise here it will be difficult. See how to visualize? See PQ. See from left hand side, T going away. So plus T from left hand side. See from right hand side always, 2T going away plus, T going away plus 3T, 2T coming inside. Again I am telling, 2T plus, since it is going away plus, T is going away plus 3T and 2T coming inside. So net is T. Net is T from any side. From any side. And your sign convention might be different. You take outside going minus, inside coming plus. That is also acceptable. Okay. So now I am calculating T in QR region. Cut here. You can take any sign convention. So T going outside, see from left hand side, and 2T coming inside. T going outside, 2T coming inside. So net is minus T. Your sign convention may be reverse. That is obvious. From right hand side, 2T coming inside, minus, and T going outside. 2T coming inside, T going outside. So net is inside coming T. Somebody take it plus also this one. So that is acceptable. Okay, so here it is T, here it is also T. Now, calculating in RS. Cut here. From right hand side, 2T coming inside. From right hand side. From left hand side, T coming inside, 2T coming, 3T. T, 2T inside, 3T, and T outside. So it is again from left hand side also minus 2T. So which is maximum? The maximum torque occurring where? PQ, QR or RS? Maximum torque in which section? In which section? It is in RS section, D option. Everybody on the comment box, just let me know you got it or not. Just let me know you got it or not. Have you enjoyed this question? Have you understood the concept? Okay guys, please be aware of the cutoff today. 17 out of 25 questions. We have done 9 beautiful questions till now. Okay, and subscribe the channel for more such sessions if you want. I will be coming here for teaching you SOM. Subscribe it right away. Now the rotation of the end A. Rotation, slope here. What is theta A? What is theta A? See, let me draw the bending moment diagram. Bending moment diagram will be something like this, this and this. Come on yaar. Shear force diagram will be 2, 2, 2, then 2, 2, 2. Positive, negative. Abhinav Negi method. This, negative constant like this. Easy, easy, easy. Okay. Now the values here, since it is symmetrical, so it will be P here and it will be P here. Now the values here will be PL by 3. Values here will be PL by 3. This is M diagram. This is M diagram. Please let me know answers on the comment box. PL by 3. And M by EI diagram, I'll divide by EI here. I will be dividing by EI. Got it? Please let me know the answers. Please let me know the answers. Okay. PL by 3I, PL by 3I. This is M by EI diagram. Now, guys, do you know one thing I'm writing here? You will be getting PDF also. Do you know one thing? That for symmetrical, theta at center will be 0. Theta at, let this point be A, it is given, B is given, let it point to C. Theta at C is equal to 0. At center, it will be 0. Since it is symmetrical BMD, so symmetrical BMD, it will be like this. Theta at center will be 0 because it is symmetrical figure. Deflected shape depends on bending moment diagram. Theta C will be 0. Now, according to moment area theorem, First theorem. Difference in theta between any 2 points is area of M by EI diagram. Theta C minus theta A is equal to area of M by EI diagram between A and C. Everybody got it. Everybody got it. Theta C is 0. So minus of theta A. What is area between these 2 points? This area. Let it make like this. This area and this area. Yellow and orange. Yellow and orange. Now, अरे गिर जाऊंगा भाई. तो okay. What is this distance? What is this distance? L by 2 minus L by 3. What is this distance? L by 2 minus L by 3. L by 2 minus L by 3 is equal to LCM 6. 3L minus 2L. It is L by 6. So this area is L by 6. What is that yellow area? L by 6 into height. That is PL by 3 EI. Okay, sir. Got it, sir. And what is orange area? Orange area is half base. Base is L by 3 into height. Height is PL by 3 EI. So this will be PL square by 18 EI and this will be PL square by 18 EI. So it will be PL square by 9 EI. That is option number A. How many of you are correct here? How many of you are correct here? Here is the telegram. And that homework question, I'll be posting the solution exactly at 11:30. Exactly at 11:30. Just let me know. Parath was correct. Good Parth. Good Somprit. Every commando is here, yaar. Here are the real audience who are doing most of the questions correct. Okay. Okay. Are you enjoying this session so far? Are you enjoying this session so far, guys? 25 questions. See, deflection we have done till now. We have done deflection. We have done thermal stresses. We have done now Mohr circle is also coming, guys, with some beautiful new type of questions. Okay. Are you enjoying or not? Yeah, guys, dhanya. SOM negative does not means less. In SOM negative means different direction. In other sign convention, somebody other can taking it that positive also. Guys, let me tell you a beautiful example. See, let me check who can do it correct. Let me see who can do it correct. Mohr circle for a point is like this. This is 20 tension and this will be minus 30. Means this and this. What is major principal stress here? What is major principal stress here? What is major principal stress here? Please let me know. What is major principal stress here? What is major principal stress here? This is 30. What is major principal stress here? Let me check. Let me check how strong are the commandos here. Let me check how strong are the commandos here. Okay, guys, major here is this one. This one is major. And this one is minor. Major does not means that on positive side. SOM negative does not means less. It means different direction compression. Okay? Okay, this one now. Everybody, the propped cantilever 4 is fixed at a nice question. Okay, this is a propped cantilever. Okay, fixed at A and propped at B. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Now what is happening here? UDL of 1 ton per meter. That is W. W is this. What is the reaction at B? What is RB? They are asking. What is RB? Everybody. 30, 40 कहाँ से आ गया ईशान? 40 कहाँ से आ गया? क्या पिया है भाई? मेरे को ही पिलाओ, बहुत मजा आ रहा है. ईशान 40 कहाँ से आ गया? 20 और the fight between 20 and 30, how 40 comes? Okay, you are saying just like BJP and Congress are working, fighting for election, and suddenly the AAP is winning. That is happening in Delhi, but not here. Okay. Now, guys, see this actual deflection at B is equal to 0, yaar. Because B is the support. At B it is support, so delta B is 0. Now this UDL, green color UDL is putting it downward by this amount. This is putting it downward by this amount. This green color is putting it downward by this amount, and RB is putting it upward by this much amount. RB into L cube by 3I. Now both cancelled. Jai ho. Now from here you can find RB. From here RB is equal to 3WL by 8. 3WL by 8. L is given, W is given. 3W is 1. L is 4 by 8. So from here D is the option. Can you do such questions in exam or not? Can you do such questions in exam or not? It's okay, Ishan. Can you do such questions in exam or not? Everybody, please let me know. Everybody, please let me know. Can you do such questions in exam or not? Okay, नाक तो नहीं कटाओगे भाई? नाक तो नहीं कटाओगे? कर लोगे? Method of consistent deformation. Okay. Now, question number 12. Okay, the gap is now little bit advanced of this version. Little bit advanced. This version, little bit advanced. This one. Okay. Guys, net deflection of B when it is going downward is 6 mm. Is 6 mm. Okay. And when it is touched, then the reaction is also coming from the support. Let it be B. Then reaction is also coming. So here, this W na is putting it downward. Is putting downward. WL4 by 8EI. And this RB reaction, like there, is putting upward. Minus RBLQ by 3I. But it is not 0 here. Earlier case it is 0. WL4 by 8EI minus RBLQ by 3I is 0. Because it has no chance of any movement here. But here, this downward, this upward. But there is a movement of 6 mm. From here, you can get the answer. From here, you can get the answer. Everybody, 105 people watching, please put a heart sign if you get it or not. Otherwise, I can waste your 10 minutes in solving all these values. But you are here for the real commandos, are here for the concepts. Everything is written. Net elongation is 6 mm. I'm not wasting your 5 to 10 minutes in calculation that you can do your own, guys. Just let me know, are you able to solve such questions in exam or not? That is my motive right now. That don't go in my energy. If I'm putting more energy or less energy, don't go in that. Go in the concepts, go in the questions. If you're liking that, please hit the like button and share it. And subscribe the channel right away for more such sessions. Everybody, got it or not? Okay. Now another question, 13th. Whether you can take it like this. Okay, otherwise I can mold it in MSQ form also, but let it be like that only. Let it be like that only. Everybody, Sagar, Aboy, Parvinder, Aman, Sompreet, Ishan, everybody. This is the question. On planes having maximum and minimum principal stresses. Okay, sir. Everybody knows this. Sigma and tau. On like this, maximum, minima. Shear is 0. Shear stress is 0. Correct. Correct. Now, shear stress on mutual perpendicular planes are numerically equal. Everybody knows this. I can derive this also, but I'm just telling you with my feeling right now, not with the derivation. See the feeling. Many of you who has not seen this derivation lecture, I'm not going to derive here, I'm telling you feeling. See, this tau 100% has to be equal to this tau. 100%. If they are not equal, if this is more, it will go upward. If this is more, it will go downward. 100% it has to be equal without any derivation, with feeling, guys. Okay. And this tau has to be equal. Otherwise, if this tau is more, it will clockwise rotation. If this tau is more, it will be anti-clockwise rotation. That's why every tau will be same. This right and this left has to be same. Okay. Third, maximum shear stress. This maximum tau max is actually sigma 1 minus sigma 2 is diameter. Sigma 1 minus sigma 2 is diameter by 2. But it is saying sum of the, not sum, that is difference. Not sum, it is a difference. Everybody, Pradeep is here, Sompreet, Naresh. Excellent, guys. Sir, all correct होगा ना? कहाँ पर? All correct कैसे? Maximum shear stress is sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2. Radius. Diameter. This is sigma 1, this is sigma 2. So sigma 1 minus sigma 2 is diameter by 2. If the question is what is the normal stress on the plane of sigma max? Sorry, what is the normal stress on the plane of tau max? What is the normal stress? Normal stress, x value on the plane of tau max. Then 3 will be correct. Then this value is sigma 1 plus sigma 2 by 2. But tau max, radius is sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2. Everybody got it or not? I told you, okay, Anurag. I told you when the answer will be 3. When the answer will be 3, when it is asked, not maximum shear stress. If they ask normal stress on plane of tau max, then this will be correct. Getting or not? And guys, just tell me your cities. Everybody please write down your cities. Let us see from which cities, which various parts of the beautiful country India you are here. Ankit Tripathi, Santu, Anurag. Just let me know your cities. 105 people are watching here. Excellent. Everybody, just let me know. Getting or not? Srinagar, Kashmir. Okay, my parents are there only right now. Hyderabad, Lucknow, Manipur, Ujjain. Even I cannot write so many. Berhampur, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, Vadapur, Kolkata. Excellent, yaar. Ujjain, Mahakal, Hyderabad, Nagpur, oranges, city of oranges. Hyderabad, Vadapur. Where is Vadapur, yaar? Kishan? Karnataka, Chennai, Vizag, RK Beach. Uttarakhand, okay KTK, I am from Uttarakhand only. Bihar, Vizag, Mumbai, Etawah, Bijnor. Gaurav, my hometown is very near to Bijnor, Uttarakhand, Gurdwara. Okay. Bihar, Vizag. Let us move to the next question. Question number 14 now. Okay. This is sigma xx. This is tau xy. This is tau yx. And this is sigma yy. Okay. Guys, one question I have given you homework. I will be posting the solution of that homework question at 11:30 PM sharp on my Telegram, Civil by Abhinav sir. Okay. Now, what is the center? Center is sigma xx plus sigma yy by 2, 0. So it will be sigma xx plus sigma 60 by 2. That is 30, 0. Okay. And radius is under root sigma xx minus sigma yy by 2 whole square plus tau xy square. So it will be sigma xx minus sigma y by 2 whole square. That is 0. 0 is equal to 0. So how this will be looking? Let me tell you. This will be center is 30, 0. And since both principal stress are 30, sigma 1 and sigma 2, both are 30. Both are same. So it is not like this. If it is like this, then principal stress here is different, here is different. Here both are same. And why they are principal stress? Because tau is 0. So center, 30, 0 and radius 0. D option. Everybody is here correct. Avinash, Sompreet, excellent. Subscribe the channel right now for more such sessions, guys. For job updates, topper stock, everybody, guys, subscribe the channel. Now this one, the magnitude, very simple, yaar. Simple. R is equal to sigma xx minus sigma yy by whole square plus tau xy square. This I am not wasting time. I am not wasting the time of my students. So minus 40, this is compression. Minus 40 and again it is minus 40. Okay, no need to write here. Compression is showing. No need to write minus 40. Minus 40 by 2 whole square plus tau xy 30 square. So it is under root 40 square by 30 square. People does not know Pythagoras theorem, but they know that 4 square plus 3 square under root is 5. Even if they are not knowing the Pythagoras theorem, they know that under root 4 square plus 3 square is equal to 5. Everybody, Narendra, Ankit Tripathi, excellent. I'm not wasting time here. Now, what is the magnitude of maximum shear stress here? Here. Again, this is sigma xx is equal to 100. sigma yy is equal to 20, tau xy is equal to 30. Applying the same formula again, sigma xx minus sigma yy by 2 whole square plus tau xy square. So this is equal to 100 minus 20, 80 by 2, 40 square plus 30 square is not wasting time here. Question number 17. This one, little bit tricky. Little bit tricky. Let us see who can do this. Let us see who can do this question. Everybody, this is little bit tricky. This is little bit tricky. And guys, after this, Joshi sir is again coming with 25 questions. Everybody, here. Come on, champs. Come on, champs. Everybody. Yes, Deepak, it's okay. You can continue here. Now, force diagram, if I show you the loading diagram. Let it be A, let it be B, let it be C, let it be D, let it be E. Now, A point shear force is the net, this is SFD. It is going downward. So 5P is acting like this. Okay. Then here from minus 5P, so this value is 7P. This value here is 7P. It is misprint here. So minus 5 to plus 7P. So the force is acting here 12P. This is acting 12P at A, at B. Then from 7P plus to 2P minus. So here it will be C, 9P downward. Then D from minus 2P to plus 2P. So 4P upward. And E, it is 2P downward. Always the diagram we obtain from SFD will always be satisfying the force equilibrium. Let us see. Downward 5P, 9P, 2P. So 13 downward. Upward 12, wait. This was how much? 5P, 14P, 16P. Sorry, 16P downward. 5, 9, 14 to 16P downward. And upward is 16P. So it is balanced. Always it will be satisfying force equilibrium. Moment equilibrium it is satisfying or not. But it is always satisfying the force equilibrium. Now, the net movement for a equilibrium body will always be 0. Guys, in SOM many times I ask my students that what is the movement here at A support. They say PL. No, movement is 0. This P upward, this PL here. So this P into L clockwise, this PL anti-clockwise. Net movement is from right and left both. Net movement, net. Even here also movement is 0. From right hand side if you do this L minus X or whatever distance you will take, it will again at this point also it will be 0. Calculate from right and left, it will be 0. So without doing all this calculation, I can directly write answer as A. Got it or not? Thank you, Rahul. Thank you. Got it or not? And subscribe the channel for more such videos. The day when you'll achieve your dream, guys, that day if you want to unsubscribe, it's okay. It's okay. Enjoying, guys? 17 questions we have done till now. Moving to 18th question. Beautiful question. Beautiful question. Let me tell you. What is the question? Okay. Now see, this is a simply supported beam. Let me show you. And on this simply supported beam, there is a column. And column is having some weight P. What is the, let it be A, let it be B, let the center be C, this be D, this be E. What is the shear force at C? Beautiful question. A beam has column. Now, how to do such questions? Everybody, Tanveer, please see. Guys, I can do like this. This is B, this is A, and load is actually acting a UDL over it. Load is actually like UDL. See, guys, this on my hand is point load. This on my hand is point load. This marker on my hand is point load. But if I don't apply like this, like now it is point load, but this is the remote. And if I apply load like this, now this remote is applied, point load is on remote. 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 But on my hand it is applying UDL. On my hand it is applying UDL. So it is not asking the shear force of this place. For this it is point load. For this place it is point load. But for DE region it is UDL. And like it is UDL like this. Now if you make shear force diagram, many times I have done this. From AN method you can do it in just 2 seconds. See my AN method. Abhinav Negi AN method you can search on YouTube in 2 seconds. Like this. AN method you can do it like this. Within 2 seconds you will get. Bending moment diagram is like this. And for every symmetrical question, SFD is always anti-symmetrical. This symmetrical question, SFD anti-symmetrical, BMD symmetrical. This is a symmetrical question, SFD anti-symmetrical, BMD symmetrical. So shear force is 0 here. Everybody understood this or not? Understood this or not? Enjoying Avinash, Parvinder, Dinesh, Naresh, Meena, Anurag, everybody enjoying the session or not? One question was homework that I'll be giving you in my Telegram civil by Abhinav sir. Everybody, just let me know, are you feeling excited? Are you feeling a little bit excited, energized, and are you getting something? How many questions are correct till now out of 18? Please let me know in the comment section. Out of 18 questions till now, how many are correct? Please let me know. Please let me know, friends. All civil and mechanical champions till now, how many correct? Dinesh is saying 0. Okay, might be, okay, answer is 0. Okay, now this question. Okay, this wire is always wire wants that Abhinav Negi sir falls. Okay, Bhavi saying 18, Anurag saying 15. Excellent, yeah. Parath is saying 9, Rishi is saying 10. Let us see how many. Couple of people are already reached to the threshold. Okay, maximum magnitude bending stress occur. A cantilever beam of T cross section. Okay, where does the maximum magnitude of bending stress occurred? Okay, so this guys, shear stress they are not asking, huh? Shear stress not asking. This is the beam like this. So this will be sagging tension at the bottom. Okay. The section is like this. If I cut this, this will be like this. Maximum bending stress. Nice question. Nice question. Nice question. Nice question. Nice question. Nice. 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 Guys, see. Neutral axis is always the centroidal axis. Neutral axis is always the centroidal axis, and centroid will always be little bit up. Centroid will always be little bit up because more mass is at the top. Guys, if my mouth is like this whole big mouth, then center of mass will be upward. If my legs are very much thick, center of mass will be downward. Okay. Okay. So guys, here if I make bending stress diagram, since the depth more is downward, so here it will be more bending stress. Here it will be at the bottom of the section. Guys, sigma is equal to m by I into y. Y is the distance from neutral axis. So below is more depth. So here it is answer D. And now got it or not? Everybody got it or not? Okay, whether it is cantilever, yaar, but they are not asking cantilever beam of T cross section. Okay, okay, leave this now. Leave this. Cantilever. Okay. Now this tension at top. Okay, so they are asking magnitude of bending stress, not tension, not compression. Still answer will be like this. Here it is compression, here is tension. Got it? Got it? Yuvraj Singh is also here, the friend of Dhoni. Okay, Yuvraj, please mail me on abhinav.negi@gradup.co. Okay, and don't blame anybody, yaar. Please concentrate on studies. You people are having a very less age, 21, 22, 20, 23, 24. Okay, so don't go anywhere. Just stay strict to your studies, whether exam will be on time, before time or after time. Always study will help you ultimately. Always studies will help you ultimately. तुम कहीं भी फंस जाओ, your parents will always help you. Similarly, if exam is preponed or postponed, we are always with the students community. We always genuinely believe their problems. But always one thing, if it is postponed or at the same day or even preponed, I am saying always studies will be going to help you. Okay, 20. Beautiful question, yaar. Beautiful. This and 25th question is the most beautiful question of the session. This and 25th question is the most beautiful questions. This is a wrong rectangular wood. Okay, this and 25th question. Having cross section like this. 20 centimeter long, that is 200 mm. 8 mm wide. 1.2 mm thick cross section. Is bent into a circle. This is bent. Some khali has come and bent it like this. Khali has come and bent it like this. So what is the maximum strain in the rod? Guys, you can only solve this equation when you know the property of circle. That if this is a chord and this yellow one is a diameter, even you are champion in Somna, but you don't know this property. This from center will break this into equal parts. This is delta and this is 2r minus delta. So property of circle, even if you are champion in SOM and you don't know this property, you can't solve this question, I can guarantee you. That's why the practice is also important. Apart from concepts, practice is also important, because if you are champion, if you are PhD in SOM, if Abhinav Negi has teached SOM from last 10 years, 50 number of times, 60 number of times, if Abhinav Negi does not know this property, Abhinav Negi can't solve this. So L square by 4 is equal to 2r delta. Minus delta square can be neglected because they are saying approximately. Delta will be very small. This delta is very small. Okay. So delta is equal to L square by 8r. Okay, sir. Got it, sir. Now strain. Sigma by, guys, whenever strain is asked, always in this equation you have to make strain. Because this is bending, bent. This is not P by A. This is not force by area. This is bending. This is bending. This is not force by area. So sigma by E, you have to use this and this. Sigma by E is equal to Y by R. Strain is equal to Y by R. And from here, strain maximum is equal to Y maximum by R. And Y max is this. Y is the distance from neutral axis. Y max is 1.2 by 2. Y max is 1.2 by 2. Y max is this distance. So 0.6 by R. So 0.6 by R. R is L square by 8 delta. 0.6. R is equal to L square by 8 delta. R is equal to L square into 8 delta. Now L is given to you. L is given to you. 8 is given to you. Delta is also given. 0.8. 0.8. This is delta. So delta is given. L is given. 0.6 is given. This is the two most beautiful questions. 20 and 25th. This is 20th question. Everybody on the comment box, genuinely, don't go in my energy, yaar. I'll shout like anything, I'll keep quiet like anything. My concepts, my question, the way of explaining. If you are liking that, subscribe the channel right away. Have you understood the channel? Give me Y or N. Y means you have understood the question, N means you have not understood, and with N, please ask your doubt. Everybody, just let me know in the comment sections. Have you understood or not? Have you understood or not? Just let me know. Everybody, come on, yaar. Understood the question? Yes, this is the correct answer. Everybody, please let me know. Have you understood? Lucky Chandra from Bhilai. Where were you from so many days? Have you understood? Have you enjoyed the question? This kind of questions are for real commandos. Everybody. Deepak, whole PDF I will be giving you in my Telegram, yaar. Whole PDF. Let me share you the link of my PDF, link of my Telegram. Whole PDF I am giving you in my Telegram, and you are asking for screenshot. Come on, yaar. Grow up. पूरा बंदा मिल जा रहा है तुमको, उंगली पकड़ना है. And one PDF will give you for civil and mechanical. For both, one PDF I will be giving you. And guys, let me again tell you, from last 1 week I am working on is and I want to make the session, the number of questions as less as, so that your time is not wasted, and by so much shrinking the number of questions, I was able to shrink it to 40 questions to complete SOM. And 40 questions, 25 I am taking today, and 15 I'll be taking tomorrow. 15 I'll be taking tomorrow, and tomorrow's are this. Please like this session right now. Guys, you might be thinking, this is 8:15 tomorrow. This is 8:15 p.m. tomorrow on Hindi. Tomorrow on Hindi. Okay. Please like it right away. Many people are watching it. Why I'm saying like? Have you ever wondered why I say to like, or any other people say to like? See, like will not cost us anything or not give us anything. This YouTube has an algorithm. If the likes are more, it will promote that video according to YouTube algorithm. And as a teacher, I'm not feeling any ashamed that I want that many students are getting benefited or they watch my lessons, because when they will be selecting, they will be remembering Abhinav Negi or BYJU'S Exam Prep. That is our benefit. That is why I say to like. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 21. I hope you enjoyed this. This one, find K equivalent. Come on, come on, come on. 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 Okay, these three are in series. So series formula is 1 by K equivalent is 1 by K plus 1 by K plus 1 by K. So K equivalent from here is K by 3. So this is K by 3, this is K by 3, this is also K by 3. And K by 2 parallel is K, then again K, then K by 3 in parallel. So that will be K, this K, this K. So 3K are in series, 3K are in series. So answer will be K by 3. Everybody, understood or not? Understood or not? Please let me know. Please let me know. Understood or not? Please let me know, guys. Everybody. And like the session that I'm sharing the link. Tomorrow's 8:15 p.m. Come on, guys. 100 people are watching here. Only 14 like there, yaar. Come on. Only way of liking, only thing I want from your like is that YouTube will promote that session, yaar. Come on, I'm doing 100% effort for you. Okay, power, easy question, T into omega. Okay, and T is given, and omega can be written as 2 pi n by 60. So T is 150, n is 150, I'm not making, T is 150, n is also 150. Rotation per minute. I'm not wasting time. T and this you can put. Okay, nice question. Nice question. Let us see who can do this. Which question? Which explain, which again? This one. Let me tell you. These 3K are in series. Okay, series formula is this. So 1 by equivalent is 1 by K plus 1 by K plus 1 by K. So K equivalent is K by 3. So this is reduced to K by 3. Similarly, this is reduced to K by 3. Similarly, this is reduced to K by 3. Now K by 2 parallel is K. K by 2 parallel. This is K. And this K is this K. Now, these 3 Ks here are in these K by 3 in parallel. So this will be K. Now, this red K. And now, this purple K. So 3K in series. So answer will be K by 3. Now you got it? K by 2 and K by 2 parallel will be, parallel formula is 1K, both addition. Parallel formula is K by 2 plus K by 2, that is K. Got it now? Got it now? PDF will be given in civil by Abhinav sir. I shared the link. Now this one. Which are not possible? Which are not possible? Let us take B option first. G is equal to E. And relation between elastic constants are here. I'll give in this PDF. So G, let us take this formula. E is equal to 2G 1 plus mu. If E and G are same, then this and this will be cancelled. So 0.5 is equal to 1 plus mu. So mu is equal to minus 0.5, and mu minus can be there for polymers and human tissues, but not for metals. But for not metals. For metals, mu has to be greater than 0. So minus can, so G and E can't be there. Let us go with A now. G is equal to 2K. Now see this. Mu is equal to 3K minus 2G upon 6K plus 2G. These are relations between elastic constants. I'll give you in PDF. Mu is equal to 3K minus 2G. I'm very bad in remembering formula. 6K upon 2G. So this G is equal to 2K. 3K minus 2, G is equal to 2K upon 6K plus 2G. So this will again in minus. This is again in minus. 3K minus 4K. That is minus K. And upon 10K. So minus 0.1. So minus is also not possible. So this will be the answer. Because when K is equal to E, see this relation. E is equal to 3K1 minus 2 mu. So when K is equal to E, so this will be cancelled. It will be 0.33, 1 minus 2 mu. So mu is equal to 0.33. That is possible. That is possible. Everybody please let me know. Have you enjoyed this question? Everybody please know. Let me know. Have you enjoyed this question or not? Have you enjoyed this question or not? Please let me know. सर जिस आदमी कॉन्सेप्चुअल पक्का हो उसे फॉर्मूला वीक ही होंगे भावी भक्त I don't know what to say. Yeah, a little bit I believe that. Okay, guys, subscribe the channel for more such sessions right away. Okay, now 24th. This is, and after this the last question. 25th will be coming. Okay, now what is this? Sigma. Okay, what is bulk modulus is equal to sigma by volumetric strain. So sigma by volumetric strain is delta V by V. K is given, bulk modulus is given, sigma is 200 given, and V is given 720. Now you also know calculation, I also know calculation, not wasting time in that. You also know calculation, I also know calculation, and guys wait, Jochit sir will be coming with 25 most expected question of fluid mechanics. Actually he has also made 40 questions, 25 here, 15 on Hindi YouTube channel day after tomorrow. Jagdishan from 7 to 8 marks you can expect. Okay, Bhavi Bhakt, okay. Okay, so this will be 1.44. Now the last question. Are you ready? Let me just inform Joshi sir also. Is he ready? Is he ready? Okay. Everybody. Are you ready, sir? And this is the question number 25th. Everybody, first of all, please tell me who are seeing this first time. Who are seeing this first time? Okay. And guys, one announcement for all of you. One announcement for all of you. One announcement for all of you. One announcement. Important breaking news. Breaking news. No, not that you are thinking. Not that you are thinking. Not that you are thinking. Breaking news. ESC admit card is available. Plus, please download after SOM and FM session. After SOM and FM session. Okay. If you have filled. After that, you can download it. Now do this question. How many have seen this first time? First time, me, first time. Okay. Okay. Guys, see, this is P. So this reaction is also P. And movement about A is nothing. So no reaction will be coming. Summation movement about A is 0, na? This P is causing 0 movement. This P is also passing through 0 movement. So nothing will be coming. It is already balanced. It is already balanced. Okay. Now, I have to make shear force diagram here. A, C, B. Here I will be making, come on yaar. Here I'll be making SFD. Now I will draw a line like this, and I'll be making here BMD, A, C and B. Here I'll be making BMD. Okay. Now everybody please see. Let I cut a section here from the center. This is center O. Let I cut a section like this. Let it be named 1. Okay. And I cut a section like this. I cut a section like this. XX. Name this as 1. Please see it. Please see it very, very precisely. After this, Joshit sir will be coming. After this, Joshit sir will be coming with 25 beautiful questions of FM. Now this is center O. See, this is P load. This is P load acting here. For balancing, I'm just considering the force equilibrium. This is P. I'm just considering the force equilibrium. 100%. A force should be coming here P. 100% for balancing. Internal force. 100% for force. Just considering force equilibrium. P. So this is P. Upward, downward. So this will be, since this angle is theta, so this is also theta. So this will be P cos theta. What is shear force at XX section? Shear force is tangential force. Shear force is tangential force, and tangential force is not P, it is P cos theta. It is P cos theta. Okay. Shear force at A theta is 0. We are measuring theta from here na. We are measuring theta from here na. We are measuring theta from here na. So at A theta is 0. So it is P. And C, at C, where is C? C is here at center. So at C, theta is 90. P cos 90 is 0. And shear force at B, theta is 180. Theta is 180. It is minus P. So it is P here. It is 0 here. It is minus P here. And this is not 1 degree. This is not 2 degree. This is not 3 degree. This is trigonometric function. Shear force is not Px, not Px square, not Px cube. It is trigonometric function. Everybody got it or not? Everybody, every commando. Now bending moment. So bending moment at XX. Bending moment is summation of forces either from the left, summation movement either from the left or from the right. Let us see from the left. Let us see from the left. So P into this distance, perpendicular distance. P is here, and this perpendicular distance is, this is R. This is R. Sorry, this is R. So this is R cos theta. This is R sin theta. See, this is R. This is R. This is theta. So this is R sin theta. This is R sin theta. This is R. This is theta. So this is R sin theta. So P into perpendicular distance. P into perpendicular distance. P R sin theta. P R sin theta. So bending moment at A. There A theta is 0. So it is 0. Bending moment at C. Theta is 90. So PR. Bending moment at B, theta is 180, so 0. So bending moment is 0. Here it is PR, and here it is again 0. This is not 1 degree, this is not 2 degree, this is trigonometry function. And from 0 to 180, sin theta is positive. Everybody on the comment box, give me Y or N. Everybody on the comment box. Everybody on the comment box. Please give me Y or N. Y or N. Y or N. Everybody. Have you understood or not? And guys, tomorrow again I'll be coming at 8:15 p.m. on YouTube with the remaining questions, and link all PDF of civil and mechanical, this combined, will be giving civil by Abhinav sir per telegram and civil by Ninja sir also. Civil by Ninja sir, both here also, and civil by Abhinav sir both also. Okay. And guys, GATE live analysis will be coming with the answer key and expected cutoff for every branch on the respective dates. And guys, here tomorrow I'll be coming 25 I have done here, total 40 questions. My last session for SOM. My last session for SOM. My last session for SOM for GATE aspirants. My last session for this year, guys. This year, not for life. This year. Okay, will be tomorrow at 8:15 p.m. Tomorrow at 8:15 p.m. on Hindi YouTube channel. On Hindi YouTube channel, guys. 8:15 p.m. Who are coming there? Who are coming there? Everybody. And this is the link of that session, guys. This is the link of that session. And guys, everybody like the session for more and more commandos. Subscribe the channel right now. This one. And again coming tomorrow on Hindi YouTube channel. The super duper. Joshi sir, please iska bhi link share kar dijiye. 11 p.m. with the last 10-day strategies for every branch, including civil and mechanical. Joshi sir, please share this link as well. Everybody. Okay. Aboy, Joshi sir will be coming and interacting with you for 5-10 minutes. Then he will be going with the solutions. Everybody, are you ready here? Okay, so how you like? Subscribe the channel right away. Subscribe the channel right away for more such beautiful, energized and conceptual sessions, guys. Okay, so now Joshi sir will be coming. Now Joshi sir will be coming in the screen. Now Joshi sir will be coming in the screen. Everybody. And I will be leaving. Okay. Yes, Joshi sir, please come. Okay, within 2 minutes, here I, Abhinav Negi, signing off. We'll be giving you the Telegram PDF and that question answer at 11:30 p.m. And now Joshi sir will be coming in few seconds. Okay, yes, Joshi sir, please come.
So hello everybody, how are you all? Hi everyone, welcome one more time. I hope you all are doing super fine, and this is the time to solve 25 most amazing questions from fluid mechanics directly from Agra, from BYJU'S Exam Prep. Please let me know in the comment box, how are you all, how are my ninjas, how are my champions? And I have seen the session like 25 questions of SOM, and I have seen the amount of joy that you people are having. Amazing, brilliant, thank you so much. Hi, no need to break its precious time. Yeah, that's why we are not, I hope aap sab bahut achhe honge. I hope you all are great. Please, can you please share the session, everyone? Full power, please just share the session. I'll quickly introduce myself to those who are watching me for the first time, because as we know, we have mechanical students also here, right? So if you are watching me for the first time, mechanical students, most of the civil students knows me who are on this channel. But if you also don't know me, let me introduce myself. A quick introduction it will be. So my name is Joshit Singh, and I hope my behavior justifies my name as well. 4 years of teaching experience, MTech from IIT Roorkee, GATE multiple times qualified, and produced 20 plus top rankers under AIR 100 in ESE and GATE. Out of all who are live right now, can you please tell me who is going to help me in increasing this 20 plus to 40 plus or maybe 50 plus this year itself? Please let me know. Those people, please send the heart sign. Hi everyone, Tanveer has up, and hi Sanket, Hariom, everyone, welcome. A very warm welcome. Please subscribe the channel if you are new here. If you are here for the first time, GATE analysis is going to be conducted for you at 12:30 and at 6 p.m. for all the branches as per the date of the examination, right? SOM sir have told you the remaining most expected question are going to be conducted tomorrow, everyone, on Hindi channel 8:15 p.m. I hope you know this. And as I have got lot of message regarding the motivational session, regarding the strategy session, regarding what to avoid session, so here we are on Hindi channel tomorrow 11:15 with you all, right? Hi everyone, love from Agra, everyone. So please send me a heart sign and let me know if you are full power ready for the very first question of the session. Let me tell you, when I was preparing these questions, when I was putting them in this PPT, I literally did this. These are the questions which I would personally solve if I'm going for the examination and like few days are left, and to improve my concept even better, right? So let's see this. The very first question is here in front of you. Please try to answer this, and then we would love from Agra. Thank you so much, everyone. Welcome. Please share this session. Let everybody know that we are live with Fluid Mechanics. Most amazing, most beautiful, most expected questions from your fluid also, and SOM is done, right? Yes, Kumar Gadur. Yes, it will be beneficial for that exam also. Let's see the first question. There is a cubical block of 20 centimeter edge and weight 20 kgf is allowed to slide down a plane incline at 20 degree to the horizontal, on which there is a thin film of oil of viscosity is given. What terminal velocity will be attained by the block if the film thickness is estimated to be 0.025 mm? बच्चे full power से answer देंगे. And also I am hungry of hard science, so do not be what we call that miser बोलते हैं ना, miser, कंजूस is miser, right? Don't be miser when you are sending hard science, right? If you think question is good, send a hard sign and please quickly get the answer, right? Everyone, I need 35 plus marks, sir. Is it possible? Yes, definitely it is possible, but it depends how much like already done, like how much you have already prepared, right? We'll talk about that, Rahul. If you can stay till the last like around 1 hour, उसके बाद हम discuss कर सकते हैं, or just go to civil by Ninja sir or civil by Abhinav sir and we will assist you accordingly. ठीक है? Please everyone answer to this question. Beautiful question is here in front of you. Let's see. I hope you all have started solving this question. A cubical block we are having, and it is on a wedge having 20 degree of your slope. Let me just show you very quickly, bacha. Civil by Abhinav sir, civil by Ninja sir is the Telegram group where you will get the solution of these questions, right? The same PDF you will be getting 20 degree, and as you know there are thin film also. Oh, there is a full thin film as well, as you can see here. This is a thin film, right? And now please understand everybody, there is a box on it, the cubical block on it. And now please answer to this beautiful question. What is going to be the terminal velocity, full power? Please let me know in the comment box right now. So if we just do the force analysis first, let's try to do the force analysis first, right? Then we will be more closer to the correct answer. Okay, let's do the force analysis for this question. So if I see this block, do I know the weight of the block? Yes, I know, right? I know that it is 20 kgf. I know it is 20 kgf. Okay, you cancel subscription, then why not, sir? Please contact to the team. They will definitely help you out, and I have no idea about this thing. Okay, and it is also not my responsibility. I am here for the fluid mechanics, so please let me know in the comment box, everybody. So as you can see guys, here the one thing that you will be getting, the weight will come here. And can you please tell me, there will be another component that will be W cos theta and W sin theta as well. So normal to the surface, normal to the wedge plane, it is going to be how much? It will be W cos theta and also here W sin theta. Chaliye, I hope we are more close now to the right answer. Please everybody quickly tell me in the comment box. Full power. Full power. Okay, full power. Chali, W sin theta we have got now. So now we have this Newton's law of viscosity. Newton is always everywhere. Okay? So let's use that Newton's law of viscosity. And what does that say? It says that the shear stress is directly proportional to the velocity gradient. Or when I remove the proportionality sign, I'll be getting the constant of proportionality. Right? And that is what? Mu. So mu and your V by L. So instead of tau, we can write force upon area, mu V by L. Simple as that. Now if we have the force, can we have the force, everyone? Yes, W sin theta is that force that we need. So W sin theta means W is how much? 20, but that is in kgf, so I'll be converting that 9.81. And sine, how much is the theta value? That's 20 degree. Okay, I can see a lot of answers. 19.43. Okay, now one request, another request apart from the hungriness towards the hard sign, is that whenever you give me the answer, it is my kind request, a gentle request, please always put the unit along with that answer. That is just to give you a habit of writing the unit whenever you solve a question. Doesn't matter even if you are doing that in your rough sheet. So please also put the unit accordingly. That will be a great thing that you can do. Okay, and then we will see the right answer as well. So sine 20 divided by area. How much is the area, guys? So 20 centimeter it is given. So 0.2 square equals to mu value is given how much? 0.22 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. Again kgf. So 9.81 into velocity. I don't know. Length will be how much? It will be 0.025. It is in mm. I'll be converting that in meter. So from here, when you solve, the v value should be how much? It is going to be 19.43 meter per second. Those who have got the right answer will send the heart sign and get ready for the next question. The beautiful question is here in front of you. If the pressure of a fluid is increased from 75 kgf per centimeter square to 140 kgf per centimeter square, the volume of the liquid decreases by 0.147%. Now this is very important to see. They have said 0.147%. So do not neglect that percentage thing. Determine the bulk modulus of elasticity of the liquid in mega. Please tell me everyone quickly. Let's see who will get the first answer. Avinav sir, I need your guidance. Rahul, I have told you na bacha, that whatever is your requirement, please let us know in the civil by Avinav sir or civil by Ninja sir. We'll definitely assist you. Okay? यहाँ पे लिखोगे तो sir how he is going to tell you, वो बता नहीं पाएंगे ना अभी comment box में he is not going to write down the 10-day strategy. अच्छा बताओ बेटा, फटाफट से आंसर आएगा इसका फुल पावर के साथ. Full power answer I will be getting from here. Come on. All you need is the bulk modulus of elasticity. Bulk modulus of elasticity, everybody. So let's talk about this. We know that the bulk modulus of elasticity will be how much? The increase in pressure divided by the volumetric strain, right? And that is given to us in terms of percentage. So dB, how much is the increment, guys? It is 140 minus 75, right? This is the increment, and since it is in kgf, so 9.81. I intentionally put the unit like this, not the normal units, right? Because I know when we see different unit as SI unit, we sometimes may get the fear. So we should not get that fear. That is why we are having such units here. Divided by, how much is that? 0.00147, as this is in percentage. Ye to percentage hai na bachcha. So this will be 0.00147. So from here you will be getting 4337755.51 Pascal. Are they asking the answer in Pascal? No. They are asking in the megapascal. So either say 0.043 megapascal. So A is the right answer. Okay? A is the right answer. नहीं अविनाश, you have made some mistake somewhere. Please एक बार check करिए. सूरज, आपने क्या mistake किया? I would love to know the mistake that you are making. Right? Okay. For this, maybe I have to remove myself from the screen so that you can have a good picture about this diagram. Guys, quickly look at this diagram. What they are saying. The tank in figure is closed at the top and contains air at pressure PA. Calculate the value of PA for the manometer reading shown. So whatever the reading you are seeing here, accordingly we need to get the value of pressure at point A. Quickly read the answer to this question. Must question hai, beautiful question hai. You will learn something new from here. Let's see that. चलिए हो जाइए शुरू everybody, and let me know when I can come back to the screen. Okay, I inverse it. Acha, you have got the value of compressibility, right, Suraj? So if you if you invert it, it will become the compressibility, because K is inversely proportional to your compressibility. Correct? You must have seen this relation. Quickly answer to this beautiful question again. So we need to get the value of PA. Let me know what is the value, everybody, quickly. PA value. So let's do one thing. Let's talk one by one. Okay. So here the value of the pressure is how much? Bolenge. The pressure is PA, right? Brilliant. I am going down. Kitna down? Until unless the fluid is getting changed, the density is getting changed. So it will be how much? After 150 centimeter, the density is getting changed. So my pressure will be, because of this oil, rho GH. Density will be 0.75 rho G. Rho is 1000 से किया इसको, G is 9.81 and H will be how much? 150 centimeter बोले तो 1.5 meter बेटा. again coming down till this point until a new fluid comes into the picture. So from here to here, how much is the distance, everybody? So 200 minus 150 will be, this will be 50. This will be 50 centimeter and remaining is 10 centimeter. So again coming downward only, so plus rho GH. How much is the rho? This is water only. So I know rho G and H value is going to be how much? 0.6 meter. Now bacha, the value of this pressure here and here, and please remember this, the mercury level is up to this place. यहाँ तक है mercury level, तो इसको गलती मत करना आप लोग. अब अपने को जाना है ऊपर की तरफ. Now we have to go to the upward side. So minus 13.6, that is the rho into 1000, that is the rho into 9.81, and how much? 10 centimeter. That is nothing but 0.1. So from here we need to get the value of PA. बता दो फटाफट से what is going to be the value. Quickly. किसी को डाउट है? Anyone have any doubt in this question? Whatever I have told you just now, if you have a doubt, please let me know. Everybody. Please let me know, everybody. If you have any kind of doubt in this particular question, let me know right now in the comment box. You can see me, right? अभी screen पे हूँ ना मैं? हाँ जी. So let's solve this. From here you will be getting plus 3580.65 equals to 0. Here 0 will also come, equals to 0. So PA will be minus 3.58 kilopascal. Minus 3.58 kilopascal. Engineer HLDC has given the perfectly correct answer. Brilliant. Amazing. Others, please let me know what is the answer that you are getting. Or you can also say that 3.58 kilopascal vacuum. If you want to write in that manner, you can also write like this. Okay. How 0.1? So Suraj, आप इधर देखिए, please. I'll just remove myself from here. 0.1 because this is the mercury level, right? That I have to consider this much. And this distance is given to us as 10 centimeter. As 10 centimeter. So in meter, that is going to be 0.1. Is it clear? Is it clear, Suraj? आपका doubt clear है? Any other doubt? Anyone? Moving on to the next beautiful question for you all. For the system shown, determine the pressure A and P. Do one thing. Get the ratio of PA by PB. Get the ratio of PA by PB. Quickly. Get the ratio of PA by PB. The level of the question will keep on increasing as we'll move towards the 25th question. So please let me know in the comment box the right answer to this particular question. What is the ratio of PA by PB? Quickly, everybody. Let's see. It's open to atmosphere. Huh, Narendra, which the last one? This one? Here you are saying, dekho, if you are going to consider the atmospheric pressure. See, this answer, what I have said, vacuum. I'm already considering it from the atmospheric level scale, not from the zero absolute line. Okay? Not from the zero absolute line. If you want to add the atmospheric pressure, add. But write in the bracket absolute. But they did not ask you anything. So you will put minus 3.58 as your answer. Okay? Kilopascal mein they will give you the unit also. Please answer to this question now right away. Bhai, please share this video in the Telegram group. Let everybody join this session. मैं भी कर देता हूँ, and it is my kind request to you also, and also solve this beautiful question right away. Come on. Telegram group link I'll be sending you in a minute. I'll be sending you in a minute. Wait. I have opened the Telegram only to write down live now. Okay, so here is the Telegram link. You can join. Okay. See, never get confused regarding this. Okay, right? 13.6 is your specific gravity for the mercury. So density will be how much? 1000 into 13.6. Okay. What else? Full power, ask your doubt. Full power, ask your doubt. Whatever doubt you are having regarding fluid mechanics, it's okay. You are here to just clear your doubts only. Quickly let me know and practice the question as well. Anji, how much we are getting? So let's first find out the value of pressure A. PA, let's find out. So PA will be how much, everyone? PA means the pressure at this point, right? Basically at this level. Because this whole thing is same fluid only. So that is why I'm saying I can clearly say this thing, right? This whole fluid, this same oil only. So that's why we can say the pressure will be same at this same level. But if in case the fluid is something else, then we can't say the same thing, right? So PA will be how much? So I have a specific gravity or relative density as 0.8. So density is going to be 800 into 9.81 into how much is this? 8 centimeter. So 0.08 centimeter. So it is going to be 627.84 Pascal. Now, if you have a doubt, let me know. Okay, Veeravali is asking 0.6. Okay, so please see here, 0.6 I am getting from here. Let me tell you. 0.6 I am getting from here. Let me tell you. Wait, I'll just erase this thing. Oh, where is the eraser? Where is the eraser? I can't find. Wait. Yeah, I got it. So guys, please see here. If you have a doubt here, what is 0.6, from where we are getting the 0.6 value? So let me tell you that quickly. I won't take much time here. So 0.6 I am getting like this. Please see everybody. So here, as you know that this is how much? 150 centimeter. Correct? I want this distance. I want this distance, this much. Right? I want this distance. So I know that this is till here. This is till here is 200 centimeter from this level. I have removed this 150. So I have only 50 centimeter left over here. This is 50 centimeter now from here to here. Remaining this from here to here, I have 10 centimeter. So I have added 10 centimeter only. So this has become 60 centimeter. So you can say 0.6, right? Please answer. Yeah, this pressure is a gauge pressure. This pressure is the gauge pressure. Money, is it clear? Money, your doubt is clear? If you have another doubt, let me know. Full power. So PA we have got like this. What about the PB value? PB value. I want PB value now. So guys, we know the pressure at this level. We know the pressure at this level. So let's write down that 627.84. And I'm just going to subtract how much, because we are going to the upward. Abhi upar ja rahe, if we are going to the upward side, the pressure is going to be reduced. So that's why minus rho GH again. So 800 is the density, G is 9.81, H is how much? 0.6. Why? Because height is 60 centimeter. Because height is 60 centimeter. So from here you will be getting as 4080.96 Pascal, and that would be how much? Can you please tell me? It will be negative or positive? It will be negative or positive? Quickly tell me. It will be obviously. Jaldi batao, quickly. The ratio I needed. I need the ratio. I'll just verify. 800 into 9.81 into 0.6. That would be, yeah, it is correct. Minus mein. So PA by PB is going to be how much? I have PA as 627.84 divided by the answer that I'm getting, and that would be 0.1538. Kiran, beautiful. Kumar, very good, brilliant, and Suraj, amazing, and everyone else. If you are liking the question, please send a heart sign in the comment box right away. Yes, it is going to be negative, beta. So why not consider ATM pressure? See, in generally we go for the gauge pressure only. If specifically in the question they are asking that consider the absolute pressure, then go for the ATM, then add the ATM. Otherwise there is no requirement. Most of the time we go for the gauge pressure only, because we have two scales to measure. Whether you measure from the absolute pressure line or you measure from the atmospheric pressure line, it is up to you only. But in the question, until unless they mention they want the answer in absolute form, don't add or don't subtract the ATM value. Okay, next question is here in front of you. Please answer. Where is the heart sign, everyone? Come on, where's the heart sign? So a rectangular water tank full to the brim, means the whole tank is full, has its length, breadth, height in the ratio of 2:1:2. Okay, the ratio of hydrostatic force on the bottom to that on the any larger vertical surface of the tank is how much? Please answer, everyone. Beautiful question, one more time. So here we have a tank whose ratio is given to us. Let me just draw the beautiful diagram for you. I used to be very bad in the drawing classes when I was small. While I was in the 4th or 3rd class, I never make the I never made the drawing copy. Never. If my drawing teacher is watching me, I'm really sorry, ma'am, but that's the truth. I always used to take my best friend's copy to whenever you used to ask for the correction. I'm really sorry. I was very bad with this drawing and all. but I'm trying now. Okay, so what I'm having is the ratio is given to us as 2:1:2, so you can write accordingly. Here it is given as length, breadth, height. Okay, so length is given, breadth is given, and the height is given. I'll consider like this only. Okay. Acha. So if we add ATM also, it is 0 na sir. If we add ATM also, it is 0 na sir. When see there is this very beautiful thing. I'll just tell you, Rishi. You can consider any of these things. Suppose if I have suppose please see here, everybody, please see here, once and for all your doubt is going to be cleared. Suppose I have this water in this particular container. I want to know the value of the pressure at this point, and let's say this point is 10 meter below this particular surface. Can you please tell me what is the pressure at this point A? Everyone, this is water. Beta, this is water. Can you quickly tell me? Let's make it harder. Let's make this watching 100 right away. Let's make this watching 100 right away. And also please tell me the pressure. Once and for all, let's clear this doubt right away. Please tell me what is going to be the pressure over here. Pressure at point A. Can I say it is going to be rho GH, and that is nothing but rho. Let's take G as 10 only and H as 10 only, right? So how much you are getting? 1 like this. Okay, this is what you are going to get, right? This is what you are going to get. Acha. So whether it is gauge or whether it is absolute pressure, quickly tell me in the comment box whether it is the absolute pressure or it is a gauge pressure. Let me know in the comment box right away. You can take 9.81 also. For the just understanding point of view, I am taking it as 10. Never take it as 10 until unless it is given. I'm just telling you quickly. That will be in Pascal, but the question is something else. Question is whether it is gauge or it is atmospheric pressure or it is absolute pressure. Quickly tell me in the comment box, everybody. Yes, you all are correct. The value is correct, but the question is something else. That let me know whether it is A, gauge pressure, or B, absolute pressure. Quickly tell me. Quickly tell me. Quickly tell me. Right away. Gauge, absolute, gauge. Okay, great. So this is the thing that I want to tell you. See, when you are finding it like rho GH, simply, this is what we all do, right? The whole pressure chapter is based on this equation, rho GH, hydrostatic law, rho GH, right? Now, when I have got this, I have got the gauge pressure only. If I also add this atmospheric pressure which is applied on the surface, when I will add the atmospheric pressure also which is on the surface, now it has become the absolute value. Correct? Everyone. ठीक है बच्चा? Everyone, फटाफट से बोलेंगे. Okay, quickly let me know this answer please. So how much is the force at bottom? The bottom force will be rho GV, and that is going to be rho G, and volume is how much? 2x into x into 2x, and that would be 4 rho G x cube. And what about the force where it is saying larger vertical surface? Okay, so that is going to be vertical wall rho G h bar A. So rho G h bar is how much? H bar will be x only. A will be how much? Larger side they have said, so 2x into x, right? So that would be how much? Rho G and 2x cube, like this, I guess. Nahin. Okay, 2x, sorry. So it will be 4x cube, right? So answer is 1 only, na? Very good. B is the right answer. B is the right answer. Karthik, you have made a mistake. Please check. Another. This is my personal favorite question. Please answer to this question now. My personal favorite question. Please answer, everybody. A horizontal oil tank is in the shape of circular cylinder of radius r with hemispherical end. If it is exactly half full with oil of a specific weight gamma naught, estimate the ratio of magnitude of vertical component of resultant hydrostatic thrust on one hemispherical end to that of horizontal component of the thrust on that end. Basically, you need to get the ratio of vertical force by horizontal force. Quickly let me know in the comment box. Full power. This is my personal favorite question, and when I was starting this, when I was preparing this PPT, I called Abhinav sir literally to show you this question only. He sir, see this question. I was solving this question and I am literally, I think, in love for the second time. When I fell in love for the first time, that I'll tell someday, but second time, here I fell. Quickly. And Abhinav sir is also throughout with us, right? Full power answer to this question. So the case is very simple. Just to understand this, I'll be quickly drawing the diagram for you. We have a horizontal oil tank whose shape of a circular cylinder of a radius is with hemispherical end. We have hemispherical end. So this is the basic tank that you have seen. जो आपने टैंक देखा होगा ना, in which you carry the oil or sometime milk or sometime gas also, so that it is just like that only. Quickly answer. See, I know when if we solve a very beautiful question, people think yeah it is very tough and they generally leave the session. It is my kind request, don't do that, because anyway you have to face such question in the main examination. So when you are here to actually improve your level of the subject, and we are trying our best. So I hope you will solve this question right away. Hi Ritu, how are you? Good evening. Where were you? Hi Garima, good evening. How are you? कैसे हो आप लोग? फटाक से आंसर आएगा everyone. Quickly, let's see who will get the first answer to this beautiful question. All I need to get is the value of the vertical force by the horizontal force. That is what I need, right? That is what I need. First, let's try to find out the value of the horizontal force, right? First, let's get the value of the horizontal force. The horizontal force is very easy to find. Rho g h bar a. Rho g h bar a. Rho is how much? Rho g is given to us as gamma naught only. No problem. I'll be using that. Gamma naught. H bar. How much is going to be h bar? Quickly. The person who will tell me the value of h bar, I'll give him or give her a beautiful gift right away. The value of h bar that I have to consider. This is one of my favorite questions, so I hope you will understand why it is my. Quickly, Karima, please tell me what happened. Abhi, what you must be having a lot of stress, right? I can understand. I have been through that stress, so I can understand. That's why I have kept the session tomorrow 11:15, 10-day strategy. I really don't want you to make such mistake that I have made or my friends have made. 3r by 2, okay, 1 by 2, okay, I can see the answer now. Quickly answer everybody. Quickly answer everyone. Ratio is pi, okay. Harshit, r by 2, alright. Please try, keep attempting. Santu have got it, brilliant. Acha, can you understand what is the shape that I am considering over here, guys? The shape we are considering, the tank is half full. So I can say the tank is filled up to this level, right? Up to this level. And if I try to make a beautiful diagram out of it, a 3D diagram I'm trying to draw. I hope I am making it good. I don't feel like it is good, but okay, okay, kaam chalayenge. We'll just see it, right? So guys, this is what I need to get, right? This is the projection area. This is the projected area, correct? This is the projected area. Semicircle. The h bar value for the semicircle in such case is going to be how much? It is going to be 4r by 3 pi. I'm sorry, I have chosen the color wrong color. Okay, into again wrong color. Another is your area. The area is very simple now. Area you all know, pi r square by 2. Simple, pi r square by 2. If I want to get the value of vertical force, that will be rho g v. So rho g is gamma naught. Can you please tell me the volume? Which volume I have to consider? Tanveer, Garima, Santu, HLDC has told us pi. Acha, I'll tell you the answer. Okay, let me just finish this. Quickly, Vamsi and Avinash, Anigha, please answer everyone. Sorry, ratio will be pi by 2. Okay, I'll just see. Yeah, mujhe gift for the. Acha, you gift Ashirwad. That's the gift. No, just kidding. You'll get it. Right. So what the volume that I need to consider is how much, everyone? The volume is nothing but it is going to be the 1 by 4th of a sphere. So 1 by 4 of a sphere. So spherical volume is how much? 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. So fv by fh, if you will do, how much you will be getting? See from here, 4r by 3 pi into pi r square. So a lot of things will be cancelled out. This katak. This gone, this gone, this gone, this also gone, this also gone, this also gone. And from here 2 will be gone. So pi by 2 will be the right answer. Pi by 2 will be the right answer. Brilliant, engineer. What is your name? What is your name, engineer HLDC? I would love to call by your name only. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Okay, moving on. How was the question, by the way, everyone? Show the H bar in the diagram. Okay, no problem. Hey, Lucky Chandra, how are you? Where were you, by the way? It's been a long time I have seen you in the session. Great. Okay, since you are here, that's great. Okay, so the H bar value will be this here. Come on. So I have this semicircle. If I try to show the projection here, it will be like this. Semicircle, right? And where will be the CG of this semicircle? It will be here from the top, right? So how much is this value? That is nothing but 4r by 3 pi. Please understand this. If you know the shape, you will be able to find out the H bar value also and the projected area also. But you first need to like imagine it. Okay. Next question. If you think the question was beautiful, please send me a heart sign in the comment box. And moving on to the next question. A rectangular gate is to open just as the water level reaches a height of 3.5 meter from the bottom of the gate as shown in figure. Determine the location Y on the pivot. Quickly tell me, everyone, the answer to this beautiful question. Full power. The value of Y, basically this is what we need. Let me use the red color. I have it here. Yes, I have. So this is the value that we need. This is the value that we need. Please answer, everyone. Full power. Sandhu, can you please share this session in my group also? It will be a kind gesture. And Lucky Chandra, is it okay? Like, have you got your answer? Everyone, please let me know the correct answer for this beautiful question again. Alright, what we need is a rectangular gate is to open just as the water level reaches a height of 3.5 meter. Okay. From the bottom of the gate, determine the location of Y of the pivot. Please answer, everyone. Pivot. I'm fine. Actually, I'm taking all offline lectures of yours. Not even. Okay, no problem. The volume will be, volume is equals to rectangular plus triangular for last question. Chaitanya. Okay, I'll quickly see that. Let me just make you feel more imaginable regarding this question. All right, why it will be triangular? First of all, I have a cylindrical shape here. Let me consider my earphone, or else do I have? No, I just have this, but this will not be easy to understand. Let's take this water bottle, right? So this is the case, by the way, half full, right? As you can say, this is almost half full. If not, I'll make it for you. I can do anything for you, don't worry. Even if I'm not thirsty, I'm still drinking for you. Now it is almost half, correct? Yeah, now it is. Right. So if I try to see from here, or I'll show you here so that you can clearly see. Can you clearly see the semicircle over here, everyone? Can you clearly see the semicircle, everyone? Right? Okay. Okay, now moving on to the volume. Bacha, what is going to be the volume? The volume is going to be, suppose this is the sphere. Suppose this is the sphere. Suppose this is the sphere. The fluid is filled up to this level. Up to this level, right? And we are only talking about the curved surface over here. So 1/4 of the sphere we are getting. Right? 1/4 of the sphere I'm getting. Not able to share. Oh, okay. There must be some URL bot, I guess, in the group. No problem. I'll share it by myself. Thank you. Okay, moving on to this question. First of all, I need to get the value of H bar CP. Can you please let me know the value of H bar CP? It will be H bar plus. Since it is vertical, the sine theta value how much? Sine 90. And 90 will be how much? Sine 90 will be 1. So I'll be just considering IGXX over H bar. Right, sir. H bar will be how much? H bar will be, guys, 3.5 this minus 1.6 by 2. Right, that is what I need. So it will be 2.7 meter. 2.7 meter. Now putting the value of H bar in this beautiful equation for my beautiful students, let's see what I'm getting. So 2.7 plus, what is the value of IGXX, everyone? IGXX, BD cube by 12. What is the width here? Not given, so 1. What is the depth? It will be 1.6 BD cube by 12. That is the IGXX value. Divide by area is how much? 1 into 1.6, and the H bar value is 2.7. From here the value will be 2.78 meter. So this is what I have got. right? This is what I have got. I have got this value as 2.78. 2.78, right? I know this value as 3.5. So my value of y is going to be 3.5 minus, oh, sorry, I'm really sorry. I have to have the plus. Jaldi no. Sorry. 3.5 minus how much? 2.78, and the value that you should get is 0.72 meter. 0.72 meter. How many of you got the answer? For the last question I asked you, how many of you think that it is a good question? Please send me a heart sign. Only Money have sent. He is the only one who understands the worth of the. Where's the heart sign? Chalo, another question. Moving on. Beautiful question waiting for you. Acha, this is again one of my personal favorite. Easy yet time taking. Easy yet time taking, but you can clearly do it. It is not tough. A wooden rectangular block of length L is made to float in water with its axis vertical. Brilliant. The center of gravity of the floating body is 0.15 L above the center of buoyancy. Great. What is the specific gravity of the wooden block? Array. Don't you think this is that type of question? That a father is that time having age that time more than the son, and son is having that time more age than his wife, or maybe that time with his son, then tell what they have eaten in the dinner last night. Looks like this. Then Dhanya, see here. So where will be the pivot point, by the way? So gate, when the gate will open. The gate will open when the force is going to be acted. The pressure force is directly going to be acted on the pivot. That is true. Then only the gate is going to be open. Tabhi to gate khulega, right? So I know that this force is acting here, right? And the value of this force from the depth of this pressure force from the surface is h bar cp. So that is what I needed to find from here. All right. Sir, gate wala bhi question hai kya? I mean, what force act on gate? Nahi, matlab they are not asking you the force, but they are asking you the value of the y. Indirectly they are asking you that. That's nothing, right? So please give classroom coaching. Classroom coaching I didn't get. Sorry. Are you from mechanical? Chaitanya, I think I have seen you for the first time. That's why I'm asking. Okay, come on. Beautiful question coming here in front of you. Quickly let me know in the comment box right away the right answer for this beautiful question. Let me just draw the diagram for you. We have a wooden block and it is length, vertical axis. Yes, vertical, like this. Right. Suppose it is inside the water. It is floating. Right. It is floating, as this is given in the question also. This is floating. Now the length of this block is how much? That they are said as L. The capital capital L, say they have represented. Beautiful. Now the thing is, everyone, they have also mentioned that the value of the center of gravity is 0.15 above the center of buoyancy. So suppose the center of buoyancy will be here. Center of gravity is here, for example. So this value is nothing but it is 0.15 L. 0.15 L. This value I have got. Now all I need to get is what? Quickly tell me. Use the equation, the buoyant equation, the buoyant force equation. Archimedes has given you the beautiful equation. Do you know the story regarding the Archimedes principle? That crown story. So please give classroom coaching. I'm not getting, Chaitanya. Can you please tell me? And Dhanya, can you please tell me if it is clear now? Why I was searching for the pivot point. Okay, Suraj has given the answer as B. That's 0.65. Cool. Okay, we will see. Acha. So the thing is, what I need to get is first this value. If I know this, I'll be able to find out the other values as well, right? So let's try to find this value. Okay, let me know what is this value. How much is the floating depth? How much is the floating depth? Let's try to find out. So guys, since it is 0.15 here, I know that the CG will be where? The CG will be from here. It will be at 0.5 L. This is 0.5. This is 0.15. How much it is going to be? 0.65. So remaining is how much? 0.35. Perfect. So 0.35 plus this, how much it is? Can you please tell me, everyone? Kitna aa gaya? So center of buoyancy is 0.35 from here. So it is obviously where? At the center of the floating depth. So it will be 0.7 L. Those who did not get it, for you, again I'm going to tell you, no problem, right? Please see here. This is my wooden rectangular block. Okay, slowly. Good question, we'll go slowly. Bad question, we'll go fast. Okay, suppose it is floating, right? What I want is, I want this value, the buoyant force is equals to the weight of body. But for that, I'll be needing the value of the depth of the float, depth of submergence, basically you can call it. This is what I need. In the question, they have said that, suppose this is the center of buoyancy and suppose this is the center of gravity. In the question, they have said that center of gravity is 0.15 above the center of buoyancy, 0.15, please see, 0.15 L. Simple, beautiful, correct? Okay, now please see here everyone. If I know this is CG here, I know the CG will be where? It will be at the center of this whole block. So this will be how much? 0.5 L. 0.5 L. Correct, because CG will be where? At the center only. So if this is 0.5, this is 0.15, how much is this remaining? This will be 0.5 plus this 0.65. So 0.35 L is remaining. As you know, center of buoyancy is 0.35 L from the bottom. So I can say that this complete depth of submergence will be how much? Just double this. So it will be 0.7 L. If you have got this, please send me a beautiful heart sign in the comment box right away. You are expert, sir. Till now I had... Oh, sorry, yaar. Thank you so much. And I am saying this very genuinely. You made my day. Very genuinely I am saying. Please let me know the value now. I have got you this. So buoyant force will be rho GV. Rho is how much? I don't know. That is what I need to find out, right? So first we'll get the value of here. Rho of water, rho, G and V. Volume will be how much? The volume will be 0.7 L into area, whatever the cross-sectional area will be having. I don't care. Weight of the body will be how much? Density of the body, G into volume of the body. That is how much? L into A. So from here you will get the value of rho B by rho W as 0.7 because everything will be cancelled out. Correct hai kya? They are asking location from top. Is it? No, doesn't matter. Bacha, doesn't matter. All you need to do is this. I was needing this value only to find out the buoyant force. If it is superpower clear, please let me know. No sir, I am civil, currently working. Acha, okay, you are talking about offline. Offline, yaar, this is very dicey now, offline. Because of COVID and all, and student get... See, my own brother is suffering. He is, my younger brother, he is preparing for civil services, right? So, he was there in, he is pursuing his BCom from Delhi University. So, he was doing his coaching also as offline. But again, COVID happened and his coaching was interrupted in between only. Right? So, when I am seeing this in my home only, why to do the same thing with my students? That is the only issue that we are facing right now, especially in the education industry. Next question is here, and very genuinely I am telling you, not a very beautiful question, but very necessary one to solve before the examination. Okay, very genuinely I am telling you. Please answer. An open cylindrical tank 1 meter in diameter and 2 meter high contains water up to 1.5 meter depth. If the cylinder rotates about its vertical axis, what maximum angular velocity can be attained without spilling any water? Please answer it. So the scenario is something like this. We have a cylinder. So I'll be making a rectangle, but you can understand the cylinder only. Okay. Open cylinder 1 meter diameter and 2 meter high contains water up to 1.5 meter. So suppose the water is only up to this level, right? 1.5 meter up to 1.5 meter, right? So how much is the left out space? Only 0.5 meter. If I want it to avoid the spilling, so I can say it can only go above here like this. Beautiful drawing, yaar. Getting my own fan. Okay, so please see here everyone, please see everyone. So how much is this value? 0.5, it will go up. So how much it will be here? Please tell me. 0.5 ही ऊपर जाएगा, 0.5 ही नीचे आएगा, 1 only, right? It can, this value will be 1 meter. 1 meter. What is the equation to solve such question? Engineer HLDC, you didn't tell me your name, yaar. Please answer everyone quickly. So y will be equals to omega square r square by 2g. Simple. Y value is 1 equals to omega square I need. The radius is how much? 1 meter they have said, so 0.5 square by 2 into 9.81. As I have told you, not a beautiful question. So from here you will get the value as 8.858 radian per second. Clear hai sir? Everybody, is it clear? Full power clear? Full power clear? Yeah, huh? 4.43. What is 4.43? What is 22. Rajshekar, what is 22.4? Please give the unit also, like it will be a great practice that you can have. Okay, moving on to the only one, I guess, the question that I have as a theoretical question. So the continuity equation is satisfied and streamlines can be drawn. Okay, both stream function and velocity function exist. For which condition? Study two-dimensional rotational flow. Please answer. Yes, very good. Correct answer, Tanveer enough. But please let me know the answer of this 10th question. Am I going slow or am I going fast or am I going okay? Please tell me. Fast, slow or okay? Fast. Please tell me. If you want, I can give you a quick gist about velocity potential function and stream function. A quick gist. If anyone wants a quick gist about velocity potential function and stream function, please send a heart sign in the comment box. I would know that. Otherwise, if you're already clear with the concept, no problem. I'm going fast. Okay. Should I move slow? I can. I have no other class after this. I'm completely free. I have also nothing, like done the dinner also, but there is not an issue. I'll quickly tell you a few things about the velocity potential function. First of all, it is represented by phi, right? It is represented by phi. It is a scalar function of space and time. It is a scalar function of space and time, right? What is the characteristics? Phi only exists. Phi only exists for irrotational flow. Only exists for irrotational flow. If for any profile phi exists, it means the flow is irrotational. Remember that. Another thing, it can be there for 3D flow as well. It is there for the 3D flow. It can be there for 3D flow as well, right? If the Laplace equation is like satisfied, so when the Laplace equation is satisfied, please remember that Laplace equation I am getting directly from the continuity equation. So as soon as that Laplace equation is satisfied, I can clearly say from continuity equation that the flow is steady. See, what is the Laplace equation? This is the Laplace equation that you will be getting. So we know that phi, del phi by del x, if I see, how much is del phi by del x? That is minus u, and del phi by del v will be how much? That is minus v. Correct? Everyone, is it correct? Is it super clear? Is it super clear? Right? Right. And as you know that if I just consider 2D flow, agar main abhi sirf just consider 2D flow, right? I know del u by del x plus del v by del y, right, equals to 0. Suppose this is what I'm considering. We put the value of u and y like this, right? What I'll be getting? Del by del x, del phi by del x plus del by del y, del y, del phi by del y minus में minus equals to 0. So we can say del square phi by del x square plus, minus, it will be here, minus del square phi by del y square equals to 0. Or you can say del square phi by del y square, del x square plus del square phi by del y square equals to 0. So we can say Laplace is satisfied. Please understand this beautiful thing here. I have got this Laplace equation from this equation. This is the case, specific case of continuity equation of what? A steady flow. A steady flow also which is incompressible. and since I have used the phi value here, phi is only true for irrotational flow, so it will be also irrotational. So that is why Laplace tells you the steady, incompressible and irrotational flow it is. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? Please tell me. And remember, if I talk about the not phi this time, if I talk about psi is what? Psi is stream function. Psi only and only exists for 2D flow, not for 3D. Not for 3D. Right? So do you have any Google page to show your class? You can watch the classes here only on YouTube. We have all the classes here only on YouTube. We do not remove the class. It is always there. You can right now watch the first class of my career that I took online. But don't watch. I was not that good. Today also I'm not very good, but better than that time. So 2D first thing, plus only incompressible flow. Only. It can be there, it can be true for irrotational also and rotational also, right? Remember that. So let's see the right answer. So for, if I say a studied two-dimensional rotational flow, so continuity equation is satisfied in streamline can be drawn, correct. Both stream function and velocity potential function exist. Yes or no? Yes or no? For psi always, no, bache. For psi it can be rotational also, irrotational also, but for phi it will only rotational. Please note down this. Please. मैं लिख दूँ यहाँ पे. I'll just summarize this, whatever I have said. Phi is applicable for 3D, right? 2D, 3D सबके लिए, plus only for irrotational flow. Right? Psi for 2D plus incompressible plus both rotational also, irrotational also. Okay? Clear enough, sir? So the right answer would be option A. Set hai, full power. Great. Next question. Very easy question. I need answer from each one of you. Let's see. Psi is very shy. That's why it is only for 2D. The exact solution of Navier-Stokes equation of motion are referred to laminar flow, for which velocity is independent of time or dependent on time in a well-defined manner. The force considered in deriving Navier-Stokes equation are. Yes, Suraj, it was opposite. It is very confusing. That's why I have made a note. So yeah, so that when you get this PDF you will find from the Civil by Ninja Sir Telegram group and from Civil by Abhinav Sir Abhinav Sir Telegram group. Okay, Civil by Ninja and Civil by Abhinav Sir. You can join the group from the respective link that I have sent you. Okay, chalo, let me just tell you. See, what we are having here, please understand everyone. The forces that we have are gravity force, right? Gravity force will be having. We have the pressure force. We have the viscous forces, right? We have the force due to surface, force due to turbulence, and the force due to compressibility. Correct, sir? Everyone. Okay. Now, if I don't consider the force due to compressibility, what I have got? I have got the Reynolds equation. If I don't consider the force due to turbulence and force due to compressibility, what I have got? I have got the Navier-Stokes equation. If I don't consider the viscous force, turbulence force and the compressibility force, what I'll be getting? Euler's equation, right? So the right answer for this will be the gravity, pressure and viscous, which is option C, right? Option C will be the right answer. Everyone, is it clear? Please send a heart sign. Brilliant. Next, and a very beautiful question again. If siphon whose diameter is 5 mm and friction losses in the siphon is neglected, okay, it should be are neglected, it's okay. Determine the time to withdraw 4 liter of petrol from 1 to 2. 1 से 2 तक, whatever will be the time that will be consuming, please let me know in the comment box right away. Mast hai na, mazar. Are you enjoying or not? That is, please tell me. Are you enjoying or not? Are you like getting new questions and are you getting new concept or not? Please tell me. That will be a great thing that you can see. Microeconomics. And yeah, like all civil services examination, there are so many things that they have to study. Like sometime he comes to my room only, my younger brother. if he have to ask anything regarding ICT or energy and environment, he always come to my room, and he always asks the doubts. So I always see the books that he is reading. Oh my god, that's too much. Like, I also had a dream to come prepare for the civil services examination, but I was also sure that I am not that much, hungry of clearing the examination, civil services examination, but I am more attracted towards preparing for the examination, because that is the only examination, in my opinion, personal opinion, that teaches you so many things. Even if you are not getting selected, even you have actually done the good preparation, you will learn so many things from civil services examination syllabus when you are studying it, right? So that was my dream, but now I don't have time, otherwise I would have done it right now also. Okay, please answer everyone. I'll just tell you about me again, but not now. Okay, come on, answer. Let me know. So what I need is the value of the time to withdraw 4 liter of petrol from 1 to 2. 4 liter of petrol from 1 to 2. Guys, if you haven't subscribed the channel, it is a kind request. Hit that red button, make it grey right away. Okay, now let me solve it. Okay, let's keep the energy for the question. I'll be applying the Bernoulli's equation at point 2 and at point 1. Okay, point 1 is here and point 2 is here, right? So let's apply the Bernoulli's equation and let's see. P1 by rho g plus Z1 plus V1 square by 2g, क्या बात है, equals to P2 by rho g, बढ़िया, plus Z2 plus V2 square by 2g. Okay, so Abhinav sir is finally home, everyone. So he was taking class from the office right now, right? So please everyone, can we have heart sign for those amazing 25 SOM questions? And tomorrow also sir is coming. Sir was telling me if he would have that time to solve each and every expected question that we have made, he would have done it today only. But at that time, you can say only SOM would have been completed only. FM ki to bari nahi aati. So that's why remaining questions sir will solve tomorrow for you, right? Okay, so there is no loss as they have said in the question. So let me see, the pressure at this point will be atmospheric pressure, P ATM by rho g. Z1 will be how much? Z1 will be 0.75. If I take the datum, it is given already. Datum is this, right? Plus V1 square by 2g. So on the surface, the velocity will be neglected. There will be 0 only, the negligible velocity, equals to the P2 value will be how much, everyone? It is going to be atmospheric pressure here, divided by rho g plus Z value will be 0 plus velocity will be how much? I don't know. Inside the pipe, how much will be the velocity? I don't know, right? So from here, let me just tell you the value of V2 that you will be getting is how much. See, atmospheric pressure cancelled out. V2 will be 0.75 into 2g root. Iska root. So it will be 0.75 into 2g root. So from here, you will be getting as 3.84 meter per second. 3.84 meter per second is the velocity that you have got, beta, right? So from here I can get the value of discharge. How much will be the discharge? Cross-sectional area into the velocity. Cross-sectional area will be, diameter is 5 mm. So pi by 4, 5 mm means 5 into 10 to the power minus 3, pi by 4 d square into the velocity 3.84. From here you will be getting the volume as 7.53 10 to the power minus 5 meter cube per second. I have got the discharge. All I need to find out is time, because we have 4 liter of fluid to transfer from 1 to 2. So can I get the value now? Time is going to be how much? Volume by discharge. So that is going to be 4 upon kitna ho jayega ye? If I convert this in liter, because I want this in liter, 0.75 liter per second it is going to be. So 0.075 from here you will be getting, and it will be 53.1 second. Who have got the right answer? One more time, again and again. Correct answer by engineer HLDC and also by Santu. Great, everyone. How was the question, by the way? Masta? I also like this question. I won't say very good. The next question is going to be very good. Again, come on. How was the question? Come on, tell me. 13th question now. just by looking at the draft tube. Please do not think that hydraulic machine is not there in the civil syllabus of GATE examination. I know the question is related to draft tube, but the application of the concept here is not of the draft tube, right? That is why it is here. So please let me know the correct answer from you all. Let me just explain you what they are saying. So we are having a draft tube. Guys, do you know why we have draft tube? Why we use draft tube? Can I take your 1 minute, exact 1 minute to explain you quickly? Explain you quickly, 1 minute only I will be taking. So guys, see, there are two type of turbine that you are having, impulse and reaction. Very basic difference is, whatever is the head we are having in the reservoir, it is converted into kinetic energy in impulse turbine. But in reaction turbine, kinetic plus the pressure energy also, right? So what happens in the end? In the end, if the pressure will be lower, what will happen? There will be a backflow from the tail race, and when the backflow will be there, there will be choking condition. So to remove that choking condition, that is why we are having this, right? To increase the pressure, as Suraj has said. I have said the same thing but in a longer way, right? So they are saying at the inlet we are having the velocity head v square by 2g as how much? 3.5 meter. And out at the outlet we are having v square by 2g as 0.3 meter. Okay, so this is 2, this is 1. Okay, and they have said and the other losses are 0.5 meter. We want to get the value of the efficiency of the draft tube. Let's see what is the efficiency, everybody. Who will get the first answer? Quickly let me know in the comment box right away. Yeah, to increase the pressure, clear. Quickly everyone. So the efficiency is going to be how much? Efficiency will be how much it is going to be? So guys, v square by 2g at inlet minus v square by 2g at outlet, also minus the head loss that we are having. This is the output. Divide by what is the input? Input is v square by 2g at inlet, right, into 100. Solve it and you will get the answer. So this should be 3.5 minus 0.3 minus 0.5 divided by 3.5 into 100. And how much the answer you are getting? It should be 77.14%, and that is option C. How was it? Everybody in the comment box, hit the like button if you have liked this beautiful question right away. Please hit the like button right away. Quickly everyone, please answer right now. The frictional and the other losses in the draft tube can be taken as 0.5 meter. They have said 0.5 meter also. Do not forget about the losses. Next question, easy one but a cheesy one. Cheesy one, why? Because it looks like, oh my god, what a big question, but it is not a big question. Solution is small. Try to answer this. They have said velocity distribution in a boundary layer flow over a plate is given as u by um equals to 1.5 eta. Okay, also they have said eta is equals to y by delta. Is the distance measured from the normal? Okay, um is maximum velocity at, okay, y equals to delta. If the shear stress is tau acting on the plate, the value of what we need, k value chahiye. Please answer. So simple, so easy. Quickly answer everybody. So simple, so easy question. Let me know right away. How much is going to be the value of the k? K value is what I need. It will be 0, it will be 1, it will be 1.5, or it is going to be none of these. Dekh lena, we haven't done any question where it was none of these. So maybe this question is that. Maybe, I'm saying again and again, maybe. Not sure. It may be 1 also, it may be 0 also, it may be 1.5, or maybe something else. Take your time. फटाफट. I'll just Acha, in my Telegram group after GATE examination, I'll be beginning the daily quizzes of your non-technical subjects, right? So do not forget to join the group. I have done the poll also yesterday, and in the poll, let me tell you, total 63% students have said that we should start the daily quiz on Telegram for non-tech subject after GATE. So that is why after GATE we will begin this. Okay. Hanji, we have got it. Let me see. Let me see what is the value. So guys, from here we can get the value as u equals to 1.5 um eta, like this, right? So del u by okay, and eta is also given to us as y by delta. So 1.5 y by delta, perfect, equals to u. Del u by del y will be how much, everyone? Du by dy, sorry. So du by dy is going to be 1.5 by delta. And we know that tau is how much? Mu du by dy. Mu du by dy. So the value here will be 1.5 mu du by dy, right? So mu also will come here, right? Instead of du by dy, I'll directly put the by delta. So from here 1.5, if you compare these two equations, the value will be 1.5. Set hai kya? Everybody? Superb. Next question. Directly coming from the boundary layer. The thickness of this laminar boundary layer over a flat plate at two different sections P and Q are 0.7 and 2.1. Suppose if this is the surface that we are having, and suppose this is the boundary layer that we are seeing here, like this. So there are 2 points P and Q. Let's say that P is here. Let's say that P is here. Let's say that Q is here, as they have said, if the section is 4 meter downstream of the P, right? So this is 4 meter. They have said that this P value, at P, the value of the thickness is how much? It is 0.7 centimeter, and at Q it is 2.1 centimeter, right? So what they want? They want the value of what? The distance of L from the leading edge. So this is what they need, distance of point P from the leading edge. Amazing and beautiful question directly coming from Agra for all of you. Please answer to this another question. Another beautiful question. I'll just speed a little bit up so that we can solve all the questions in the remaining time. Okay. So guys, we know that what is the relation between the in the laminar case, what is the relation between the boundary layer thickness and your leading edge distance from the leading edge? Can I say it is this is the relation, correct? This is the relation, correct? So we can say that delta 1 by delta 2 is equals to x1 by x2, right? Suppose this is x1, which is L, and this is x2, which is L plus 4. So I can also say that it is L by L plus 4 root equals to delta 1 is 0.7, delta 2 is 2.1. Please answer to this question now. L की value चाहिए थी हमें. L का value will be how much? It will be 0.7 have, and 2.1 we have. Okay. Anji, what is the value, everyone? That is 0.5. L will be 0.5 meter. Did you get it? Naresh, the PDF will be given to you as soon as the session will be over. Okay. Next question. A thin smooth plate 1 meter wide and 2 meter long is towed through water at a velocity of 2 meter per second. Assume that boundary remain laminar, then drag on both sides of the plate is how much? Kinematic viscosity is 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter square per second. Please answer, everyone. Quickly. Please answer, everyone. Narendra, it will be 2 only. Okay? It will be 2 only. Veera, Lucky, Chandra, and who else? Okay. Please put the unit also along with your answer. That will be better for your practice only. Please answer to this question. So guys, what we need is the drag force, right? The drag force will be how much? It will be half CD rho AV square. Simple dimple. Correct? Sir, 4 is in meter or centimeter? Let me check. 4 is in meter only. 4 is in meter. Meter only. You can see here. Right? Okay. So, but I don't have the drag coefficient here. I know for the laminar condition, as per the Blossius solution, it will be 1.328 root my Reynolds number, right? How much is that value? So 1.328 Reynolds number I know is nothing but rho VL by mu. Rho VL by mu, but I don't have mu, I have nu. I have nu, so I'll put the value of nu accordingly. So it will be mu by rho will be nu only, so VL by nu. Put the value and get the answer of CD. 1.328 divided by the velocity is 2 meter per second, the length is 2 meter, divided by the nu is 10 raised to the power minus 6, and that too will be in under root. From here the value of CD that we'll be getting is 6.64 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. This is the value of CD. Put the value and get the answer, everyone. ऐसा थोड़ी ना directly you will get the value of RE. See, RE here, like if you want to get the value of local skin friction, then you will be using the local Reynolds number, because it will change as the value of the distance from leading edge will change, right? So let's put the value, get the answer. Half CD is 6.64 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 rho AV square. Rho will be 1000, as this is water, I guess. Yeah. Area will be how much? That is 2 into 1, right? And the velocity is 2 meter per second. So 2 square. When you solve it, you get it as 2.656 Newton. Is it correct? Everybody, is it correct? Are you getting the same answer? This is wrong, by the way. Why? Because we want the answer for both sides. We want the answer till the both side, right? Okay. Turbulent flow, na sir. Neeraj, they have said it. Assuming the boundary remain laminar. They are saying by themselves that assuming the boundary remain laminar, right? When they are saying from the like samne se only, then I have to like consider that, right? So since they are asking both sides, so into 2, and that would be 5.312 Newton. Correct, sir? Everybody, beautiful. Next question. Next question. Quickly let me know right now in the comment box. Quickly, everybody. Full power. I hope this most expected questions of SOM and FM are helping you in the same manner you have expected. A sphere is moving in water with a velocity of 1.6 meter per second. Another sphere of twice the diameter is placed in a wind tunnel and tested with air, which is 750 times less dense and 60 times less viscous than water. The velocity of air that will give dynamically similar condition is how much? A, B, C, D. Guys, and my champion and the ninjas, please tell me one thing. Which dimensionless number or which model law I am going to use here? Froude's model law, Reynolds model law, Weber model law, or maybe your Mach model law, right? Please answer. Quickly, everyone. Full power answer you should get from here. In last question, it's RE only rather than root E. No, I guess it will be root E as per the Blossius solution. Kindly please check. It should be root REL. Please check. Which model law I have to use? Please look at the force which is predominant here. Is it the gravity force or is it the viscous force which is predominant here? Obviously viscous here, right? So Reynolds model law I'll be using. So the Reynolds number of model should be equals to Reynolds number of prototype, right? So rho V is velocity how much? 1.6, right? Okay, I'll just write down like model and prototype, है ना? Okay, so rho, like I have water, right? I have water, so W into velocity 1.6, right? And here I have diameter capital D divided by mu of W equals to, here they are saying it is 750 times less of water. So rho W by 750 into velocity I don't have, and they have said twice the diameter. So 2 capital D divided by viscosity, they have said 60 times lesser than water. So mu W by 60 from here we will be getting. So let's see the value of velocity that we can get from here, everyone. Things that can be cancelled out very quickly. Rho W cancelled out, D cancelled out, mu cancelled out. From here the value of velocity will be getting 750 into 1.6 divided by 60 into 2. So that would be 10 meter per second if you will solve it. Static, yeah. Full power, everyone. Please tell me in the comment box, how was the question? I'm talking about all the questions. I have 8 more questions for you. Beautiful questions, right? Let's move to those questions now. 8th question is here in front of you right away. Directly from the losses inside the pipe flow. Diameter of a pipeline ABC suddenly changes from 15 centimeter to 30 centimeter at B. Something like this. Till here it is 15 centimeter. Till here it is 15 centimeter. And this is 30 centimeter. They have said, let's say this is A, let's say this is B, and let's say this is C. We want to get the value of loss at B. So basically what we need is, at B means they want the minor loss, right? So sudden enlargement they have done. So the loss will be how much? Velocity at section A minus velocity at section B by whole square by 2g. Basically whatever the loss will be getting, it will be the velocity head only. Karthik, have a question. Sir, is open channel flow? So Karthika, if you are from civil engineering, for you open channel flow is in the syllabus. Hydraulic machine is not there for you in civil engineering. If you are from mechanical, then open channel flow is not there in the syllabus, but hydraulic machine is there for you in the examination. That is why I am solving today the common part, right? Fluid mechanics. For mechanical student, if you want, you tell me right now, if you want, we can do hydraulic machine session separately. And for civil students, for you, open channel flow is already planned, right? Please tell me if in case you want that. So velocity A and velocity V we want. So velocity at section A will be how much? Discharge upon cross-sectional area at A. Discharge will be how much? 50 liter. So 0.05 meter cube per second. Pi by 4 into 0.15 square. From here it is going to be 2.82 meter per second. Velocity at section B is going to be 0.05 by pi by 4 into 0.3 square, and that would be 0.707 meter per second. आगे answer. Ash 2.82. ये which Ash? No, not Amitabh Bachchan daughter-in-law. I'm talking about Pokemon wala Ash. 707 divided by 2 into 9.81. काफी घटिया joke. Yeah, whole square. From here we'll be getting the value as 0.228. 0.22. So 0.23 you can say up to 2 decimal if they are asking. 0.23. OCF it is planned. I'm asking for hydraulic machine to the mechanical students because it is not there in civil syllabus. That is the only reason why I have never ever took hydraulic machine class on YouTube. You will never, you won't find any class of hydraulic machine. Okay, next question. Suraj, you have made a calculation mistake. In a siphon, the summit is 5 meter above the water level in the tank from which the flow is being discharged. If the head loss from the inlet to summit is 2.5 meter and the velocity head at the summit is 0.5 meter, okay, gamma is given 10 kilonewton per meter cube. The pressure head at the summit is how much? Let me know right away, everyone. What is the value? Okay, I'll tell you how it looks like. We have a tank or reservoir, you can say. We have a siphon moving like this, attached to a tank which is over here. Something like this. right? Like this. Perfect. Let's say this is point S, let's say this is point A, and let's say this is nothing. Leave it. It is not necessary to put the name everywhere. Shivam, then take it for us. Mechanical, I mean hydraulic machine you are talking? Okay, then we'll plan. We'll do that. We'll do that for you. Okay? Okay. I had never thought about that because it wasn't there in the civil syllabus. That's why. Simply. Okay, now let's do one thing. What they are asking is, they are asking a very simple question. The pressure had at some midpoint. Just simply apply the what we call it, Bernoulli's equation at section A and section B. Right, guys, do you want me to give you a quick demonstration of how Bernoulli's equation work? Like, I'm very excited to show you. I have learned this from a teacher only, and he is taking the classes for, I guess, 11th and 12th. I love the way he teaches. I am not calling his name, but amazing he teaches. Right, quickly tell me if you want a quick demonstration. I can give you. That is just for fun, by the way. Right, and I will be needing paper also for. Hanji, Bernoulli equation, PA by rho G plus ZA plus VA square by 2G equals to PS, that is on the summit point. I am applying the equation. ZS VA square by 2G plus the head loss. Now let's put the values, everyone. So here what I'm having is, see, the value I'll be needing in absolute. They are saying no problem. Let's do one thing. Abhi ke liye, let's consider the gauge pressure here, right? So atmospheric pressure, so here atmospheric pressure will be how much? I mean, will be 0 only if I'm considering gauge, right? ZA is how much? 0 only. Data wahi pe hai. Surface hai to velocity also 0. So this is 0. PS by rho G. ZS I want, ZS will be how much? Is it given? Yeah, 5 meter it is given. This distance is 5 meter. So plus 5 I'll write down here. Udhar choti si jagah lagi hui hai. By rho G plus 5. Vs by rho G, is it given? Yeah, it is given to us as 0.5. Velocity head is given 0.5 plus the loss is 2.5. Okay, all these things are given. So PS by rho G I'll be getting from here is 8 meter of H2O of water basically. So PS will be how much? Minus 80 kilopascal basically. So the right answer is A. See the Bernoulli equation, how it works, right? See, please understand na. Mere liye samajh lo. ठीक है? I'm very excited to teach. So Bernoulli equation work like this, as you know. PA by rho G plus VA square by 2G plus ZA equals PB by rho G plus VB square by 2G plus ZB. So first of all, let me tell you this, that in the aeroplane also we are using Bernoulli equation. How? That I can show you right away. I'll draw a very ugly aeroplane because that is what I can make for you. इतना ही drawing आता है मेरे को. Okay. Suppose this is the aeroplane. I'm only considering this wing area here, right? I'll just consider this. I'm cutting this and I see it from like this, right? So guys, do you know the wing? The wing of the aeroplane is kept in such a way, it is designed in such a way that the velocity here, let's say point A, and here let's say point B, can be differentiated by the mechanism, right? So how they have done it? They have made this design in such a way that whenever the pilot wants, the velocity at point B, or you can say below the wing, will be more. Let's say the velocity will be less, let's say. So VB is less, for example, and VA is more, right? So guys, for the instance, Z remove, abhi ke liye, there is not much difference, right? Acha, now please understand everyone, if I have to make sure this is equals to, I have to make sure if this equals to, please understand everyone, right? Full power. PA by rho G, VA square by 2G, here I have PV by rho G, VB square by I have losses for now, I'm not taking, right? So if the velocity is increasing here and velocity is decreasing here, can I say the pressure will decrease and pressure will increase over here? Can I say that to make this equals to remaining there? Yes or no? Right? So you will say that pressure here will be lesser and pressure here will be more as per the Bernoulli's equation. So if the pressure here is lesser, and pressure here is more, please tell me, all of us, can I say, wants to go from higher pressure to the lower pressure? In general also, in real life also. That's how your plane is going to lift. Is it clear, everyone? Please tell me quickly. Okay, I have a question. Wait. Okay, solve this question, by the way. You have got this, na? Please solve this. Hello, sir. May I ask, yes, why from previous question velocity at A and B are written in the same parenthesis in computing the head loss? Where you are saying, are you talking about this question, 19 question? Can you please tell me? Please answer to this 20th question, everybody. Let me show you the demonstration also, na? Wait, the paper. आपके लिए check लेके आया हूँ मैं. Train you with the help of check. Right. So see, right now this check. Right now this check. Can you see it is falling down? Why it is falling down? Why this check is falling down, everyone? Due to gravity. Correct. Okay, you are talking about 18. Correct, everyone. And we are written in the same parenthesis, computing the head loss. Getting your, really sorry. Taking this right now, like the change is happening right here in the velocity because of the certain expansion, right? Okay, it is falling because of the gravity. If I blow air here, did you see it lifts up? Did you see it lifts up? Right now it is falling. If I just blow air here, it is lifting up. I am not blowing air from below. I am not blowing the air from here. I am blowing the air from above. It is lifting. Why? Why it is lifting? Because I am increasing the velocity here. As the velocity increases here, the pressure decreases, and as the pressure decreases, tries to come to the lesser pressure from the higher pressure. Set hai kya? Sir, in question, yes, pressure head is rho P by rho g, na? Yes, it is rho g. Let me see. P by rho g. Yes, it is. So, and you find P. Okay. So, I have found P because with the help of this PS by rho g, I have seen that no option is matching. Right? No option was matching. So, I have seen there is one more option left, not in the term of head, but in the term of pressure it is given to us, right? So that is the only reason I converted it. And that's why I've got this value. And it was given to me to take it as 10 kilonewton, not 9.81. Guys, did you got that demonstration? If yes, please send a heart sign in the comment box and let's solve this question now. What is the maximum power available at the downstream end of a pipeline 3 km long, 20 cm in diameter, if water enters at the upstream end at a pressure of 720 meter of water? Okay, what is the maximum power that is needed? Please understand, guys, for the maximum power transmission through pipe, head loss in friction will be how much? It is going to be 1/3 of available head. Remember this. From here you can easily solve it. Am I not audible or visible? Why no comment is coming to me? Guys, did you see that demonstration? Please let me know. 1/3, right? Everyone, please let me know the value. Power I want. The power I'll be needing. The maximum power available. Let me know how much it is. How much it is going to be. Let me know, everyone. right away. Okay, let's first find out the value of the discharge from here. Okay, then only I'll be able to find that, right? So what is going to be the discharge, everyone? I can use the Darcy's-Weisbach equation. Okay, guys, can you please tell me Darcy's-Weisbach equation? Civil students know this. I hope mechanical also knows this. Still, I'm asking you. Darcy-Weisbach equation is utilized to find out the value of the head loss due to friction. So do the Hagen-Poiseuille's equation. So please tell me, out of these two equation, can you please tell me out of these two equations which one I should use when they both are doing the same thing? Which one I should use? Please tell me, and also solve this question. So if I want to get the value of the discharge, it will be F L Q square by 12.1 d raised to the power 5. HF will be how much? Total head is 720. 1/3 will be 240. 240 equals to F, is it given? Yeah, 0.03. L is how much? 3 kilometers. So 3000 into Q square, right? Divided by how much? 12.1 d power 5. Diameter is 20 centimeters. 0.2 power 5. So HF value that the discharge value that I'll be getting is 0.1016 meter cube per second. What we'll be getting? Please tell me, everyone. Sir, in question 18, why don't we consider loss at entry? Question 18. Because they have asked you, where is it? Here they have asked you at B, and second thing they have said there is a pipeline ABC. There is a pipeline ABC. They did not said this one thing ki bhai it is entering from a tank or maybe something else, right? They have talked about this simple section A to C, and at B they want the answer. They wanted the loss, right? That's why we did not consider. Otherwise you will say, sir, we should have considered the exit loss also, right? But we did not. Answer please, everybody. Discharge we have got. So please let me know the answer for this beautiful question. Should I give you this as your homework? Most of the things I have told you, right? Let's take this as homework. 20th question homework. I'll put the answer of the homework at 12 AM, right? Before that, please try to solve this question. Moving on to the next question. Another beautiful question. Two reservoirs connected by a pipe, friction factor F has a difference in water surface elevation of capital H. If capital H and F were to remain constant, to increase the flow by 100%, the cross-sectional area of flow would increase by how much? Come on, answer. Santu has given the answer. Okay, that was the previous question. Answer to this. Dinesh has given the answer. We'll see. Please answer to this question now. Guys, what we need is, they have said the cross-sectional area of the flow would increase by how much? If I want to increase the flow by 100%, right? So we know that H is how much? It will be FL Q square by 12.1 d raised to the power 5. So from here I can clearly see that Q square is actually proportional to d raised to the power 5. Or I can say Q1 by Q2 whole square is equals to d1 by d2 raised to the power 5. Yes, I can say. They are saying if the discharge is getting doubled, right? Matlab 100% increases how much? Double only, right? So Q1 by 2 Q2. Q1, sorry. 2 Q1. This is the condition. Whole square. D1 by D2 we want. D1 by D2 ki value if I will get, because I want the area ka difference, right? Area. So from here we will be getting D1 by D2 as 0.7578. Correct or not? Because it will be cancelled out root 1 by 2 and again raised to the power 1 by 5. So it will be 0.7578. How much? 0.7578. Now I have the value of D. Let's get the value of area. A2 by A1 should be pi by 4 D2 square by pi by 4 D1 square. From here we'll be getting it as D2 by D1 whole square. Can you tell me the value D2 by D1 whole square? So reciprocal it and square it. So it will be 1.741. So from here we can say that A2 is equals to 1.741 times of A1. Right? A2 A1 relation I have got. So A% increase in area will be how much? It will be A2 minus A1 by A1 into 100. Put the value and get the answer, please. A2 is 1.741 minus A1 by A1. A1 common, 74.11 should be the right answer, I guess. How many of you got the same answer? C is the brilliantly correct answer. Neeraj, Santu, great bacha. Great. Next question. For a fully developed laminar flow of water whose dynamic viscosity is 0.00 Pascal second through a pipe, radius 5 centimeter, the actual pressure gradient is minus 10 Pascal per meter. The magnitude of axial velocity at the radial location of 0.2 centimeter is how much? So for that you need to get the equation for the velocity distribution in a pipe. That is minus 1 by 4 mu del P by del X. For the pipe, R square minus R square. Put the value and get the answer. This is very simple question. So if I put the values over here, let's see what we will get. So minus 1 upon 4. What is the value of mu? Dynamic viscosity is 0.001. 0.001. Del P by del X is how much? Minus 10. Radius is how much? 5 centimeter. So 0.05 whole square minus radius, radial distance is 0.2 centimeter. So 0.002 square. The answer would be 6.24 meter per second. It was an easy question, so I did it for you. 23rd. Quickly answer to this question. The Prandtl mixing length for turbulent flow through pipe is how much? Independent of shear stress, a universal constant, 0 at the pipe wall, independent of radial distance from pipe axis. Please tell us. Today you have got 50 most expected question from two highly scoring subject, weighted subject of your GATE examination. Prandtl mixing length for turbulent flow through pipe is what? The Prandtl mixing length is proportional to y, right? Or you can say it is equals to ky, common constant, right? Y is nothing but it is the distance from here. So at wall, here y will be 0. So what will be the value of Prandtl mixing length? What will be the value of Prandtl mixing length? It will be 0 at wall. It will be 0 at wall. Is the right answer. Please don't think it is a universal constant. It is not. That's the common constant. Okay, that is different. Here common constant is 0.4, right? And y can vary, right? Y can vary, correct? So please understand this. Second last question, everybody. A pipe of diameter 200 mm carries water in turbulent flow. The velocity of water at center of pipe and 50 mm from center of the pipe are this and this. What is the shear stress at wall of the pipe? You know the equation, you can easily get the answer. You need the shear stress at wall. Tau naught is what you need. Guys, come on, just subscribe the channel if you are here for the first time and hit the like button if you have actually loved the question that we have solved for you, me and Abhinav sir. So u max minus u by shear velocity equals to 5.75. I'm writing because log base 10 I'm using. Y by r. Let's put the value. So the water at center, the velocity at center is 3. So maximum velocity is 3 minus at the point 50 mm from center is 2 meter per second. U star 5.75 log base 10. Okay, y value will be how much? It is will be how much? Kidhar hai? Velocity at the center 50 mm from the center. Acha, so if it is like this, diameter is 200 mm. It is 200 mm, right? And it is 50 from here. So it is 100. So the remaining will be how much? Is it correct? Yeah, please tell me everyone the value of y. The value of y that I should keep here. The value of y that I should keep here. Y will be simply nothing but r minus small r. So that is how much? R is radius is 0.1. 0.1 minus 0.05. Correct? Okay. So this is what the value of y. Okay, I have kept the value of y is okay. Please let me know everyone. Quickly everybody answer to this question. Oh. See, if you have the shear velocity, then you can easily get. Sir, why you consider rough turbulent flow? Why not smooth? Neeraj, this equation is applicable to both. That's why I have used it. This equation is applicable to both the cases. Turbulent also and laminar. Turbulent also and laminar also. I mean rough also and this also. You can use it. There's no problem. Quickly answer. Let me solve it quickly. So that should be 5.75 log base 10. Getting U star you should get as 0.578 meter per second. This is the value of U star you will get. We know that it is nothing but shear stress at wall divided by the rho value. It is given, right? Not given, we know that it's water only, right? So here we'll be having the value as of tau naught apne ko chahiye na. So tau naught will be rho U star square. 1000 into 0.578 whole square. So from here you will be getting 334.08 Newton per meter square. So option D will be the right answer. Student, yeah. Option D will be the right answer. Now the full and final question for my beautiful students, beautiful ninjas and commandos. Quickly answer to this question. By using the Nicoret's experiment, the pipe can be classified given thickness of laminar sublayer as 15 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter. Equivalent roughness of pipe is 0.15 mm. So it is hydrodynamically rough, hydrodynamically smooth, both A and B, or none of the above. Last question it is. As per the Nicoret say, let me tell you, K by delta dash, if it is less than 0.25, it is hydrodynamically smooth pipe. If K by delta dash is greater than 6, it is rough pipe. Otherwise, transition. In between, it will be transition. Let's find out the value. K is given to us as 0.15 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. I'll be considering meter mein, divided by 15 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. That is the laminar sublayer value, thickness. So it is coming out as 10, which is greater than 6, obviously, right? So it will be rough. Third question. समय समाप्ति की खोज. जैसा कि आपको पता है, as you all know that Abhinav sir will be joining you tomorrow with another question. I'll be again joining you with another question. But let me tell you one more thing, guys. One more thing, that I will be there for you tomorrow at 11:15, and here is the link to that class. You can kindly just go and make the reminder to this link, and please hit the like button also. So please tell me guys, how was the session? Did you enjoy it with full power or not? Was it beneficial for you? So these were the most expected question from us. There will be more most expected question coming to you, and I hope you all have enjoyed this beautiful session. And again, I'll be seeing you till then. You have to do two things for me. First, please take care of yourself, and second, please take care of your family. Hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe the channel for same videos. So I'll see you next in the next session, right? So my name is Joshit Singh, and I will see you in the next class. Till then, take care. Please comment box mein let me know, did you enjoy the session or not? Okay, bye bye and see you. Thank you so much. I'll see you very, very soon. Take care. And for mechanical students, we'll be arranging the hydraulic machine class as well, and you can let me know in the comment box as for that. Okay, if anything else is required. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.